Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Anybody in the chat yet? Looks like we got Blackjack Dealer, Doc Airline, Witty, or aka Steve Cleveland, New Abyss, and Cassie. All of you guys in the chat so far, what's going on? The morning is good, and are we open yet? I don't know. Let's see. Are we open yet? It seems like we are open right now, so let's see what we got going on over here with Weeble. What is AMC doing in the first minute of the day? It looks like it's going to be a green one, guys. Good deal. We had some good pre-market this morning, and it's continuing on into the market right now at the well, now it's going back into the red. All right, well, we don't want a red candle. We do want a green candle, so hopefully that's, well, no, don't want that. So hopefully that's what we end up with there. Let's see what Blackjack did. The Doc, it's always great when the pilot shows up first. It is, unless you were drunk, passed out in the first seat. No, I don't want that now. All right, good talk about airlines there. Quick landing, maybe. I lit a candle and some incense. Let's fly to the moon now. Cassie is ready to go. Come on, baby, 50. And it looks like we are red in the first minute of the day. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, well, what are you going to do? We need some green candles. Come on now, AMC. Produce some green candles. 48.43 is what Doc's saying there. Ding, ding, ding. Good morning, apes. Patty Winger, good morning to you. Where the F you come from? Me? I've been here the whole time, man. Been here the whole time. Wall Street watchdog at sales, Fed stress test of mega banks is toothless. Provides a wake-up call to the Biden administration. Should start the day with this just saying. Well, Steve, Witty is back. Good. Oh no. Guess we should just all sell and go home. Brett, it's exactly what I was going to tell people to do today. I woke up this morning and I wanted to tell people it's time to sell AMC and go home. Look, we have three red candles in a row. It's just time to go. We can't take it anymore. Maybe if I do that, like maybe if I freak out a little bit, people from Matt's channel will come over and watch. They might. I don't know. Good morning, Toby. How are you doing? Yum. Rockstar, 24 ounce, 240 ounce energy drink. W. Sounds good. It's me. It is you. It is you. Hey, bro from Australia. Vic Young. Hello from Ohio. Good evening. Good night to you. How are you doing all the way over there in Australia? Dang it, Brett. We got out too early, man. What the heck? Brett, I just sold all my shares and told everybody I know to sell all their shares, and now we get a green candle. Oh, it looks like I took one for the team. All right, guys, it's okay. Maybe next time. I'll get in on the next time. It'll be okay. Good afternoon, Clay. Cecil, good afternoon to you. Good morning here in Ohio. Good morning on the West Coast. Actually, good morning on the West Coast. Good morning on the East Coast. Good morning everywhere in between. Good afternoon in the UK, Europe, wherever you're from. And if the darling is here, good afternoon, darling. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Good morning, ClayBro. Shout out from Queens, New York. Dan, shout out to Queens, New York. I'll take them. You can have them. Since I had to get rid of them. Hey, man, from New Zealand. Man, Lee, we got New Zealand and Australia in the house today. Incredible. We got everybody from down under. Morning, what is up? Wait for 65 so you know it's going up. Then buy back in. If it drops back to 45, sell again, rinse and repeat. I love this strategy, Brett. I love the strategy. I think I might do that. If it goes back up to 65, I'll get back in. And then if it drops to 45, I'll sell again. And then I'll keep doing that until I no longer have any money left to my name. But I will have some pogs. Those might be worth more than my name. Good morning from Canada, apes. Tommy, good morning to you. Anybody else in the chat right now want to say good morning? I want to say good morning to you. Man, big old green candle followed by a big old red candle. Come on, sellers. What are you doing? Nobody knows. We use the same color for VWAP. How I know you're the YouTuber for me. Well, perfect, man. That is how you should know. That is how you should judge any man or any woman for that matter. The color of their VWAP, dude. For those of you that don't know what VWAP is, look it up on WebMD. Good morning from Connecticut. Brian, good morning to you from Ohio to Connecticut. I have Android but can't join. What's up with that? Toby, I have no idea, man. Are you talking about the join button? Shouldn't there be a join button right next to your subscribe button if you get Android? New Jersey Ape here. Good morning, Clay. Robert Bell. Good morning to you as well. VWAP is a rapper, I think. Yeah, maybe. Any relation to Fetty? Anybody know? Anybody know if V's related to Fetty in any way? Oh, gosh. Some people are probably like, this dude is just so dumb. Give her a gander. You got to, man. Give her a gander, and you'll know about it. My VWAP is yellow. Oh, dude, these people probably think, like, so I guarantee you new people pop in every so often, and they're like, this dude is so dumb. Why would I sit here and waste any time watching him? Why would I do it? What is he even he doesn't even know what VWAP is. He doesn't know. Why would I watch him? He thinks it's something on WebMD. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it probably is on WebMD somewhere. If you look hard enough, you'll find it. Nubis Creative, you might want to call a doctor for that. You may want to call a doctor for something that Nubis has, but I did not see what Nubis has. But it is all right. I did, and you said to buy more shares. I like your doctor, Nubis. I like it. Give her a gander. Oh, Whitey. Is it Whitey? Now I don't even know anymore. Witty or Whitey? There's only one T, so I would imagine it's a long I. There's only one cure, and it's not more cowbell. Carrie, you also found that on WebMD, didn't you? Man, we're just busted. We're not even like on the chart anymore. We have to move this chart already this morning. Come on, AMC, don't do this, guys. Is anybody afraid that it's gonna retest 40 again today? It's a strong candle. Come on. Strong candle, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, well, we got 46. If we don't want to go all the way back down to 40, we got 46. We'll see what it will drop to 40. Doc says, yeah, he's calling, yeah. Doc, however you show is all good by me, bro. I'm there with you. I like it. Corner store. What's up, corner store? How are you? Corner store. Indeed, green candles would make me feel better for sure. They would. VWAP might be next to blue waffles on WebMD. And it might be. Let's test 40 so Blackjack can double down again. Let's do it! Oh man, Blackjack doubling down at 40. I say let's test it, guys. I say I'm not afraid to test it. Afraid I'll have to buy more? No, not really. That's what I'm talking about, Robert. That's what I'm talking about. So, dude, if I would have said that in somebody else's live stream, then people would have started crying tears, man. They probably would have started crying tears. Hope we test 10. Moon tickets almost never go on sale. Dude, if we test 10, what do you think? I should just, like, take out an equity line on the house? If we retest 10, like, just say forget it. Go all in like the Ape Father. I will admit, though, like, if I did go all in on AMC, I probably would be as nervous, excited as Ape Father gets in some of his videos. I'd be like, you idiots, stop selling AMC right now. Buy AMC. Only buy AMC. Why are you letting it go? Like, I would probably lose my cool a little bit too. But we don't have to worry about that just yet. But hey, man, if we go back on sale at like $10, shoot. You guys might see a whole new Clay. We got Nervous Clay coming out. The evil ClayBro was in here the other day. We might actually see the evil ClayBro. Clay, hi, son of my wife, Kayla. Bausad. Is it Bausad, man? I'm sorry if I hacked the last name up. Good morning to Kayla Bausad. Bosad? Maybe Busod? Dude, sorry I'm hacking that last name up. But good morning, Kayla. Hopefully you're having a great day so far today. Good morning, ClayBro. Living free. Good morning to you. If we test $10, I'm selling all my pogs to buy more. Brett, I will sell all of my pogs to buy more as well. If we test $10 again. I don't know how many I have, but I'm sure Mom's got them somewhere. So I'm technically selling Mom's pogs at this point because she's the one that held on to them, not me. But now I'm better buying more. Oh, it was good holding, but now I'm better buying more. I like it, Blackjack. If we go to $10, I'll sell my body for 8 shares of AMC. See, guys, this is why I like you guys so much. If you go into somebody else's chat, like, go mess with the people in Matt's chat right now, or maybe Galactic Finance's chat, or whoever the heck else is on right now. Tell them you want to see it test $10 again, and see the kind of reactions you get in there. They're going to be scared. I can almost guarantee it. They're going to be like, you get out of here right now. Get out of my life. Yeah, but here, you say $10, and everybody's like, I'm selling my body. I'm selling my pogs. I'm selling my house. We are all in, baby. We are not scared of the dips. We buy the dips. We eat the dips. And we ride AMC to some just ridiculous profits, man. The man. You the man. Whitey, you the man. Boissad. Maybe? Is it Boissad? Caleb Boissad? Possibly. Doc Airline may know the phonetic spelling. Hey, does anybody know Yanni's phonetic spelling? Like, am I hacking that dude's name up every time he comes in here? If we go to $10, yeah, I saw that one already. Taking my boys to see Black Widow tonight. Ape support, AMC, and free popcorn. Dan, very nice. We was all a little scared yesterday. Claude, I was not a little scared yesterday. Dude, if you don't even plan on selling, you can't be scared. Like, it really doesn't even matter. I know we watch the chart. Like, we have fun watching this chart. But I really don't, it doesn't even bother me. If it goes all the way down to $10 today, I'm still not selling the stock. So, I have does not even matter what happens today. I'm not selling it. No, I can't even be scared. I can't even be scared because I'm not selling it no matter what happens. I've already made that decision. You know, like when you're driving down the road, and you know those crazy roads that like let you go 60 miles an hour and they have traffic lights on them? Yeah. If you're driving down one of those roads and you just get to that certain point before you reach the traffic light, and it's like, I don't care if it turns yellow right now. I'm not stopping. I'm just going. It doesn't matter if it turns. I'm going, no matter what happens. It's kind of like what it is with AMC right now. It does not matter what it does. I'm not selling. At this point, tomorrow might be a different. Well, tomorrow's Saturday. I'm not selling on Saturday. Definitely not selling tomorrow either. And probably the next day, I will also not be selling AMC. Monday, might sell. I don't know. Today, definitely. It doesn't even matter what it does today. I'm not selling. It was a whole market, not just AMC. Okay, yeah. Well, I didn't really want to sell anything yesterday, but the whole market was down, and AMC did very well yesterday. Not even second half. Basically from half hour into the morning on. Depends how much your account is worth. I have 1,155 shares, so we go high up and low downs. We hodl. We do. Living free. Absolutely. Good morning, ClayBro. Good morning to you, Aria. Roller coasters are scary, but no one jumps off halfway down. Exactly. Brett, if you know a dude that's going to jump off of a roller coaster halfway down, you know a pretty crazy dude. Someone yesterday said this is a gamma squeeze lining up like Cassie or Carissa. They are on to something. Well, Blackjack, I don't know what we would need to close at today. At least 50, right? I don't know where all the options are sitting. But I'm sure we would need to close at least above 50 to see some decent options expire in the money. But, yeah, I know a lot of people bought options yesterday. I know a lot of people bought options yesterday when it dipped back down to $39, and they did very well. Living free, I feel you. I don't have as much as Ape Father, but if it goes to a point, I make 2,100. If it goes down, I'm down 2,100. Yeah, dude. I don't know if you're saying that you make $2,100 when it goes up and goes down, $2,100, like you lose $2,100 when it goes down. Or what exactly you're saying? Man, we are back in the green. What the heck is happening here? I see what's happening here. Man, I just love these candles. Hey, look! For everybody that was interested in the VWAP, look what we have on the chart. It's a V. So for those of you that don't know what VWAP is, it happens when you get a V on the chart. I love mornings because I feel like all of you are good people in here. So yes, VWAP happens when you get a V on the chart, and that's... No. What are you doing? Why did that line do that? So VWAP occurs when you get a nice V on the chart, and then post V, this is what it does. This is where the WAP, this is the V, and then this is the WAP that comes in afterwards. No, don't change that one. That's the, oh my goodness, Weeble, you're killing me here. That's the V that comes in, and then this is the WAP part. Right here. It WAPs up. That's why they call it a VWAP. The V is right here, and then the WAP comes afterwards. So if anybody wanted a lesson in technical analysis this morning, that's where you get the VWAP. You got the V on the chart, and then it WAPs straight up into the air. Oh, please don't look. There were 70-some people in here. Now there's 67. I know you guys hate me. Bought another 120 shares at 41, holding 520 to the moon. Alan Tover, very nice. If they cover their FTDs from the threshold list, will it be T plus 2? And should we expect that to reflect on the stick price early next week? TJT, no, dude, don't worry too much about that, man. FTDs, even if they had to cover 13 million FTDs, they wouldn't have to cover all of those because those are both buy and sell side FTDs. It's not just the seller having to go out and buy those shares. So I would not worry about the demand generated from a potential 13 million FTDs or 15 million FTDs. That might result in what? Buying 10 million shares? It's not something that's going to really drive the price that much higher. Do not hold on to the threshold list. If you hold on to the threshold list, you will be thresh-held. I was WAP growing up when I came from Italy. Nice, Dan. Very good. Oh, you guys, I know you guys have to love that technical analysis. That we get the V on the chart, and then the WAP comes right after. Unfortunately, we're WAPing back down, aren't we? Are you joking? Why laughing? Is it going straight into a VWAP? Yeah. Living free. I wasn't joking, man. It's just we get the VWAP pattern on the chart right now. We got the V, but it was supposed to WAP up. But apparently it's whopping back down right now. So I don't know. Doesn't look like a WAP. I know, Doc. I know. It's doing the opposite of a WAP. It's doing a flop. That was a V flop. I know. Friend of mine's wife went to the gynecologist for I would imagine, Whitey. Hopefully it all turned out okay. There's so many VWAPs out there, guys. Mysterious MM back pumping APTY. I love it, Mysterious MM. One of these days, dude, I can guarantee it, you're just going to be rich off APTY because of all the pumping you do. I feel like I should get in early because if it's still 2 cents right now, you need to step. Listen, if you promise, Mysterious, that you're going to step up your game a little bit, and because it's been 2 cents for at least the last week. So if you promise to step up your game and pump it in a few more channels as well, then I might get on board and buy some APTY just because I feel like you're a very consistent man. And you got what it takes to make APTY go to the moon. So if you let me know, if you let me know that you are gonna do that, I might buy some APTY. Oh, we're whopping down. We are, Brett. No, a VBOP. It could be a VBOP. VWAP, the volume weighted average price. Oh, Dan, is that what VWAP is? I thought that VWAP was when it had a V on the chart and then it whopped straight up. It's spelling out the W for the WAP. Josie. Yes, it is. We've got the W forming for. We had the V. And now we're going back down for the dip on the W. Yes, now I got it. Josie might be onto something, guys. So the threshold list will not benefit us. Tinted Braden, I don't think it's going to benefit us in the way that a lot of people expect it to benefit us. It's not strong enough. If you're strictly looking at the volume that's going to be generated from the threshold list, then no, I would not rely on that to benefit you. Go get it, but ended up on flop the site. It was in my history already. It happens, blackjack. It happens. Boom, 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 bop, big bop, boom, bop, hop. Yes, Whitey. That might be what we see on the chart right now, but we don't know. Nice mugs, ClayBro. Every day I'm drinking coffee. That's why I love different mugs. Aria. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I really only have like four different mugs that I cycle through. Do I see a George W. Foreman? No, that's the WAP in the. That's the W in the. WAP and the VWAP, James Brown. For some reason, we're on VWAP this morning. Yeah, Josie, I think you're right. E's mistake was actually the WAVP. The WAVP, the WVAP. This was the WVAP forming. It was listen, if you call it early, that's what happens. Unfortunately, I called that one a little early, and that's why I thought it was going to be a VWAP, but actually we're about to see the WVAP occur on the chart here. It's a brand new technical indicator that all of the other YouTubers don't have. This is the WVAP that we are seeing form here, and it definitely means that we are going to bop wop higher off the W. Carve must be the new distraction for AMC. Marquise, possibly, man. They got a new distraction every day, don't they? Plummeting is a strong word. It is it. As soon as you said it's going up, it started plummeting. Plummeting is a strong word for what it's doing this morning. But Ryan, I did say it was going to whop off the top end there, and then it went from 48 to 47. We had a dollar decline. So, yeah, it's a pretty tough one, actually. Clay is this a bull flag? I hear everything is a bull flag. Dude, we could find a bull flag somewhere. If we wanted to, we could find one. It looks like, yeah, we might have a bull flag somewhere here. This is a reverse bull flag. So like this is the pole over here, and this is the streamer. It kind of got, the wind was really strong last night, so it started to tear the edge of the flag, and this is like the little streamer that was formed on the edge of the flag. It's just in reverse. So like if you were standing on the one side of it, it would look like a flag in normal terms, but since we're standing on this side of it, it's just a reverse bull flag. If anyone is coming here, I want to learn some correct terms. They're going to be wicked lost. New Abyss. Yes, they will, but I feel like there's not any new people in here right now. Otherwise, they'd be like, calling me names. It says AMC is actually worth $800 a month, 7 times 7 months, so $5,600 a share. True price. Do you agree? No. What does that even mean? It's worth $800 a month times 7 months, so $5,600 a share. I don't even know what that means, living free. I learned about DD yesterday. Yes, you did, man. And you're learning about the VWAP today. I know it'll probably be a while, but how do we know when to sell? Preacher man. Good question. You know when to sell, honestly, man? You're not going to know, you're going to have to figure that out before you sell. I can't tell you when to sell, but you're going to know when the shorts are covering. You're going to know what's going on with all of that. You're not going to know it in real time, right? Unless you trust Ortex's estimated data. But I'm not selling. I wouldn't say I wouldn't sell. But I'm not selling anytime soon. I'm not selling until it looks like we get a short squeeze going on and the price is actually squeezing higher and not just trending higher because of people buying in and getting excited about AMC. 50 cents won't even get you anything from the ice cream truck. I wouldn't call it plummeting. Dude, if you probably can't even get anything from the ice cream truck for $5 these days, man. For real. Darling. Oh my gosh. Yes! Good afternoon, darling. I'm so glad you're here. Good name. I like it. I like it a lot. Also, darling, please see the video description and have you seen this Lauren flyer pinned? Yes, we need it. We need it. Living Free has figured it all out. Probably has. Lose number. 5,600 is lose number. Yeah, I think that it might be lose numbers when it's 100,000 or more. That's when Whitey's selling at 100K or more. Let's have a great day and without AMC. I like it, Nick. We're gonna have a great day today for sure. You crack me up, Brett. You know that. Brett cracks everybody up, dude. Everybody. Like, if you don't know Brett, the only reason I actually have this YouTube channel is because Brett's here, and it's the only way that I can get in contact with Brett. So, like, as soon as he leaves, you guys are subscribing to a ghost channel. We can't think about selling when Citadel. We can think about selling when Citadel gets margin called. Will shortly thereafter. Nice, Joe. I'm on that one with you. Sell when you can buy the International Space Station with your debit card. The Cornerstone. How much does it cost? I don't even know how much the International Space Station costs. I couldn't imagine giving this much time over the many months only to sell at $30. Oh my, dude, could you imagine for real? Like, could you even start to think about that? If you got out at $30 or a $30 profit because you spent like 8 months in it and you just wanted something quick now. Miguel Ortiz, he says, Buenos morning, my bro family. Buenos morning to you, Miguel. Hey, bro, what's the possibility of AMC taking an L and never having a short squeeze? Gibbles, what's the possibility? Low likelihood. Low likelihood would be the possibility of that. If you're looking for exact numbers, I wouldn't even know how to do the math on that. But low likelihood. Much less than the likelihood that it squeezes. Because, dude, in order to take a loss, you gotta think, man. We'd have to go all the way back to. No, I can't say that. Okay, never squeezing is the part that is the key word for that one. Okay, so I do believe that we will squeeze, but post squeeze, man, I'm telling you, if AMC continues the way they're going, their balance sheet is not that healthy. Now I know Adam Aaron is trying to turn things around, and he's doing a very good job. But if we get another round of COVID or something stupid come in, hey, AMC's not worth $50 a share. Space station is government funded, so at least 50% more than market value for the various parts. Yeah, Brett. Yeah. Maybe Jack Stack Silver's dad, Jerome Powell, can bring us some money. Andrew does one Fox News interview and now no live stream. You got a new subscriber, bro. Red Foreman! Here's the deal, Red Foreman. I got to call you out, man, because I'm pretty sure you've been in here before. And if you have not subscribed to my channel because you like to hang out with Andrew, yeah, I see what you're doing there. No, thank you very much. If you did subscribe to the channel, thank you very much, Mr. Foreman. And if you didn't, man, I'm going to stick my foot, you know where, Mr. Foreman. Someone said, Andrew, one more minute. I like it. No, Andrew's a good guy. I know Andrew gets a lot of hate on the different social media platforms for whatever reason. Andrew's a good guy, though. He doesn't really answer any of the questions or any of the, not questions, but shout-outs that I give him in his streams sometimes. But he's a good guy, man. I like the kid. He's doing work. What did Josie say? Do I smell a bromance? Yes, you do, and it's very pungent, Josie. It is. SEC, hashtag SEC enforcement. Let's get it going. Welcome to the Clay Even Mo Money family. I like it, Brett. Thank you for welcoming Red Foreman to the Clay Even Mo Money family. The bro money. We got that bro money going on in here. Andrew, no mo money at a wedding. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. Listen, Andrew, dude, if you're not live streaming and you're actually watching right now, I like you, man. I like you. I like all you guys out there. Lou's the only one that scares me, okay? Everybody else is out there doing work. Alpha stocks, they kind of scare me a little bit too because they tend to quote Lou a little bit. And, yeah, they tend to scare me a little. They don't scare me as much as Lou. Lou scares me, okay? Lou definitely scares me. But dude's doing work, right? He's out there. He's entertaining people. He's got a big following. Good deal. The other guys, they don't scare me. Alpha Stocks does scare me a little bit. Lou scares me. I'm trying to think if there's anybody else that I'm missing. I don't think there's anybody else in the moment that I can think of right now, but I should do. Is anybody, here's the thing. I'm not a huge commenter on a lot of the other channels or anything like that. Does anybody comment or have some pull with that Jay Ingram dude that's like 100? Nice. We all do, except the mass investor. Still learn from him. Lou kills a man, then records a YouTube video. I wouldn't doubt it, dude. Oh, man. I'll make my own space station. I like it, the Cornerstone. Can I come? Can I take a ride on that? Exactly where Red Foreman came from. Did he? Did he come from over there? Oh, man, I missed Brett's message and he retracted it already. Think we can get to 50 today? Miguel, I do think we can. Chipro kind of scares me. Rabies, anyone? No! Chipro doesn't... Dude, you guys don't understand animals with rabies are not normal looking, okay? An animal with rabies doesn't come eat out of your hands and just, happily walk around your living room. An animal with rabies would be like... And then it wouldn't be good. I would know if Chipro had rabies. I still haven't watched Lou. Darling, oh my god. Darling, let me just save you now. And I can't be rude to another YouTuber and say don't watch another YouTuber's channel. But, darling, please. Please, darling. I don't know if you should. Informative. I miss it. Jay Ingram doesn't post much, but very informative. Uh, yeah. I want to hang out with that dude. Like, I want to hang out with him sometime. If he wants to live stream, I'm pretty much in the same boat as him. I don't know if we can make it work or not, because I'm not technically savvy. But I want to live stream with Ingram, and maybe we could get A-Father back on here sometime. How much? Maybe one Lou video, but his personality is great. Yeah, dude. I don't know, man. It might be a front. It might be just for YouTube or whatever. But just it scares me a little bit. So the anteater has rabies. No, Nufo. Oh my gosh. The anteater does not have rabies. The anteater is not an anteater. The anteater is a chipmunk, and he's all good. I told Jay Ingram he looks like Larry David. Dude, tell Ingram that he should come on my live stream sometime. I want to hang out with that guy. Looks like a nice guy. I don't know what will come first, Jay Ingram funeral, AMC Squeeze. Rip Martin. Oh no. That dude's gonna live to be at least 100, and I'm pretty sure he's 105 now. So time's ticking. He actually sold short a couple years. That's why he's been able to get to 105, and he's trying not to cover those years. Otherwise, time might expire. Dude, listen, I'm ripping on it, but I'm not really ripping on you, Jay. If you're watching right now, if you're hanging out with me, we're having fun, dude. This is what we do. We're not ripping. It's just I know you sold short a couple years. That's why you're over expiration. Clay, AMC dropped from almost 50 when you started your live. I know, Chatty, I know. But that's because we didn't understand what the VWAP actually was. We thought that the V on the chart here, we thought this V was going to whop it higher, but then it whopped it lower and kind of just started trading sideways for a minute. So we got to see what happens. Who's not making money from YouTube? What are you talking about? No. I'm talking about doing like a YouTube personality, Andy. I'm talking about like he's like I don't imagine that dude would just be as blatantly crude in real life as he is in front of the camera. So I don't exactly know if that's his personality in real life or not, but that's what I was saying. He might just be doing it for YouTube. I have one question. What happened with threshold security thing? Yesterday was the 13th for AMC on the list. When they need to buy their short positions, when I'm tired, dude. Horneat. If you, listen, hang out here at Horneat. You wouldn't have been relying on that threshold security list, man. You don't get tired if you hang out here. The other ones, you get tired because you're like, oh my god, it's going to happen today. It didn't happen today. Oh my gosh, it's going to happen today. It didn't happen today. Other channels, that's how you feel. Here, we're just hanging out until it happens, man. We're having a party until it starts. He mentioned yesterday that his wife is 20 years younger than him. Kudos to him. Are we talking about Jay now? Oh, Jay Ingram. Okay, yeah, gotcha. Lou is pushing his Lou TV hard kind of sketch. Seems like he's making a break for it. Oh, Martin, I didn't know he's got some Lou TV or something. Lou seems like a kind of dude that would catch a girl and definitely say, I can't call a girl and say I definitely didn't know she was 14. Oh my gosh. You're probably right though, but it's all right. Maybe we all have at some point or another. We don't know. Drink coffee. That is exactly what I'm doing right now, and that is exactly what my boy Horneat should be doing. Apes need to unite. I think Lou is working on that for the next play. I'm with it. Good deal. So she is 80. Ice cream. Probably. At least ice cream. I would say so. Bobby Pin. Ooh, I like the name Bobby Pin. Clay, what do you think of Rants Friday the 13th idea? He's GME YouTube live guy. He talked about 0 options being available Friday the 13th next month and explains everything in detail. Bobby Pin, I'll be honest, I have not seen anything about that, so I wouldn't know, and I would not, that sounds like something that I would not rely on, man. I'll just be honest with you right now. I wouldn't put much faith in that. Is Lou A-Father the same dude? Nufo, no. Lou and the A-Father are two completely different guys. Matt Perry says, Lauren is here! We did miss Lauren. No creamer. Oh, no. You don't need any creamer, dude. You just, black coffee is the way to go. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. T. How are you? Jiu-Jitsu boy dabbing on them. Happy Friday, ClayBro. Have a great day, fam. Chaka Kong. You too, man. Haven't seen you in a couple days. Glad to have you in here typing. Some of you guys, you might just listen in the background instead of typing all day long. So, if that's the case, glad to have you in here when you do type. Remember, Zooey Mama, darling, is in the house. How you feeling this morning after that gin? Oh, goodness, probably a little bit tired, huh? What about Carve? It's a good spot to make some decent money. Yesterday was over 200 plus on shares, out 3.47 million. The volume was over 100 million. Wow. Crap, Carve had some serious trading yesterday. If there's 3.47 million shares outstanding and 100 million volume, or neat. Yeah. Dude, if you got money left in your portfolio and it's sitting in cash right now and you want to go invest it in some Carve or take a risky play on one of these day trades that is extremely speculative, I say go for it, man. I say go for it. Pretty cool with paper hands. Me too, Mr. and Mrs. T. Almost called out. It happens, dude. It happens. Phineas is here. Phineas, what is going on? Yo, I'm back. You know me. You dodged my question last time. Limit 22. I never dodge anybody's questions. Come on now. Japan just had another COVID scare and aren't allowing spectators anymore for the Olympics. You think this is going to hit the U.S. and possibly cut out the squeeze? Gibbles. No, I really don't. I think that, you know, whether this is bad or whether it's good, I think that the U.S. doesn't even care anymore. That's just my personal opinion. It has nothing to do with me disrespecting COVID as a disease or anything like that, but I do not think that we are going to see the same type of actions we have seen in the past. I missed Vigilante's live stream last night. Didn't get to see shots of liquor, and we aren't meant to be had that aren't meant to be had as shots. Yes, well, I also missed the Vigilante's live stream last night, and if anybody missed it last night, make sure to check out the AMC Vigilante on YouTube as well. Subscribe to his channel, good guy. Come to downtown Florida like it never happened and everyone is fine. That's what I'm saying, Whitey. That's what I'm saying. Do you have any tutorial courses? That you do. Paul, I actually don't have any courses, man. So, and I don't have any, in general, YouTube videos on, like, options. I probably should set some stuff up for some people who are interested in just learning the absolute basics first and then moving from there. Yeah, I could probably do that at some point. But, dude, when you do 2 live streams a day and then you do a video in the evening, it's like you spend some time doing it, I'm telling you. Close above 60 tonight. Let's see it, Dio Xiao Xiao. I want to see that right now. 60 tonight close. He's calling it. Phineas, where's Ferb and Perry? Exactly. Hey, where's Perry? I actually have a Perry the Platypus shirt. Should have gone to the dollar store for them green candles. I know, new foe. I know. Instead of a shot of gin, you can take a shot of pine cone in your nose. You can take a shot of pine cone in your nose? What? I'm from the U.S. and we don't care. I'm from the U.S. as well, Whitey. But I just didn't want to, you know, some people, they're sensitive people, man. I feel like you guys aren't very sensitive, but I feel like some sensitive people out there. He had a lot. Oh, darling. Oh, no. I'm surprised he's still here. He's probably at work doing just fine, though. No matter what happens, the shorts eventually need to cover. Brandon Sloan, thank you for making us realize that the shorts need to cover. It is absolutely true, guys. It is absolutely true. If you're nervous about daily price action or anything for that matter, I mean, my goodness, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. But eventually, the shorts do need to cover, okay? They will cover, and the squeeze will take place. Whether they cover over a slow period of time and they draw the squeeze out and they really don't give us the margin call, like shot to the moon we're all hoping for, okay, they will cover. But if they continue to dig themselves into a bigger and bigger hole, they will be margin called, okay? And that's what we really want to see. Nobody says, here we go. Right, I'm in Florida too, and Florida doesn't care about COVID at all. I'm seeing, I feel you, man. I feel you. Oh, I feel like Ohio's the same way. Hey, fellow chipmunks, what's your closing price for today? You guys are on it early today. Goodness. He'd probably get banned by BooTube. Maybe. Don't even remember who we're talking about now. Stop making fun of people that seen the first screening of silent movies. I'm telling you, dude, I'm not even making fun of him. Jay Ingram is the man. Jay Ingram might be my great-great-great-grandfather. Are we whopping? I think we might be starting to whop here, Brett. This might be the beginning of a whop. Yep, nope, might be the beginning of a flop now. Now I see the red. We might start a whop here pretty soon. Clay, do you think AMC can squeeze before September? If it does, will GME rocket with it? Nick, I do think that AMC can squeeze before September. I don't know if it will, but it definitely can, right? I've been Phineas for 30 years, way before Ferb. Shifty McSly. I like it. Way before Ferb. This Ferb's stepchild. Come on now. I'm an AMC in holding, but I also have money in MRIN. Can't figure out why peeps are not excited about that huge short interest on MRIN. What am I missing? David, I don't know exactly what the short interest is on that software company, but here's what you're missing, dude. It's like, if you start to spread yourself so thin that you might start to get a following on MRIN as well, but it's not going to be what you're seeing with AMC and GameStop. There's just, and I don't know if I'm using too strong of a term here, but this is phenomenal. You don't see this all the time. This is just, it's phenomenal. Like, I swear to you, the short interest could be 10% on AMC, and you would still see the same type of excitement from these people. So you can't compare any other stock to what's going on with AMC. This is a phenomenon that you're not going to see recreated for quite some time. Rocket, where you at? Rocket in the chat, come on, guys. On the right track. Jim, a lot of FUD and negativity, which means we are getting close, and eventually there will be a margin call for some small hedge funds leading to a domino effect. We are on the right track. Jim Gold, I sure hope we do. Do a ClayBro decal giveaway. We probably should do one of those, shouldn't we? Cup and handle forming. It looks more like a WAP and a view and a WAP. Limit 22. Let's ride the roller coaster together, guys. To the moon. Let's do it. No one is bashing Jay Ingram. Will never forget what he did at Gettysburg. Dude is a national treasure, man. I feel like everybody should just go over to Jay Ingram's house and see how the U.S. was founded. Like, just sit down with him for a minute and see how the U.S. was founded. Like, do you think he'd be offended if I brought him on the live stream and I was like, so, Jay, could you tell us, how the United States of America was founded? What was it like back then? Ready for UFC on AMC? I like it. Chaka Kong. People are getting excited about that. Clay, I need to know, do you think GME is because AMC is super straight and they still follow each other? How? Nick, no. I think that GameStop is the big brother and AMC is the little brother. That's what I think there. Rocket says he can't make it, Shayna, but he is sending his love. Rocket always sends his love, man. Whop and flop all morning. Wait till the West Coast wakes up. I know, man. When the West Coast wakes up, we might be whopping all afternoon long. My theory, people who are stoked about another SQ, maybe. Stocks are the ones who fell till they got left behind in squeeze stocks, maybe? In AMC, however, the recent dip, there are plenty of opportunities that have gotten back in. Limit 22, I would agree with that, and I think that a lot of people are kind of salty, like, oh, I missed out on AMC. Maybe I should be looking for the next opportunity right now. Guys, AMC is not even, it's more expensive than it was a couple months ago, but it hasn't even started. Like, it hasn't even started to squeeze yet, so don't be worried that you missed it. We have the V and the W. Brace yourselves for the A and definitely for the P. When we get that, guys, it is going to be coming. The A and the P all day long. Shayna, he just ran out for a pack of smokes. He'll be back soon. Yes, he will be back soon, guys. Rocket always comes back. We already hear straight from Cali. Miguel Ortiz wakes up very early. Ice cream, the only explanation is bankruptcy, and that is not happening. Sorry, but is there one explanation for shorts not to cover? Yeah, ice cream. If AMC goes bankrupt, then shorts wouldn't have to cover their short shares outstanding. But, dude, let's face it. AMC's far from bankruptcy. And, yeah, it might be difficult for a company to face a terrible-looking balance sheet with no revenue, like during the pandemic. But they've got revenue coming in now. And their balance sheet isn't as bad as it was. I don't like their balance sheet by any means. I really don't like their balance sheet. If my balance sheet looked like that, I'd probably not be able to sleep at night. But it doesn't mean they're facing bankruptcy. And they've got income coming in, and it's increasing. So that's all good news there. Clay, do you get a VWAP watching? Do I get a WAP watching AMC? Only the V, Nick. Only the V. Eek Cali, how's it treating you? AMX Squeeze only going to pay you a month's rent for you. AMC Squeeze is only going to pay a month's rent for you because you live in California. Rip. Yeah, come to Ohio, dude. You can pay like 20 years rent. Just checked MRI on Ortex, 127% short interest on free float. But like you said, we all need to focus on AMC. Martin, if it really is 127% short interest, that's insane. Because it's already ran up so high that I don't know. I don't know about that, man. Some sounds fishy about that if it's already ran up. I think Ortex might be lagging on their data. With that kind of a run, I would have expected shorts to be lower than that. I think Ortex might be estimating and they might be lagging on their data there. You might see that shorts have actually covered more than that, because that sounds drastically high for the run that it's seen over the last, I don't know, 2 weeks maybe. Now my comment was in general. Well, then yeah, I mean, in general, it still rings true. So shorts are always required to cover. There is no time limit, right? But it's an obligation. Like I promise to pay you. Loan me $5, and I promise to pay you this $5 back. Well, dude, if you die, I'm not gonna pay you the $5 back, right? If you don't exist anymore, I'm not paying you that $5 back. So unless you like request it back from me and say I need it now, then I'm not gonna pay you that $5 back until I absolutely have to. And you might think, well, this dude just went all in on AMC. He might lose all of his money. I need to request that $5 back now. So that would require me to do it. But if you don't do anything like that, I can just outlast you. I can outweight you. And as long as my balance sheet looks good, like I'm not going to get margin called by you, then you might be like, all right, well, you know, it's still on loan. You don't have to give it back yet. You don't have to give it back yet. You don't have to give it back yet. And then, dude, one day you just don't wake up and I ain't giving it back. So in general, that's how it would work with shorts. If the company that they're shorting goes bankrupt, they do not have to cover it. Now, if the company they're short, I don't know what their intentions are either with all the shorts out there. They might only want to make 10%. Guys, 10% for a hedge fund is juicy gains. Hedge fund would love to have 10% gains across the board. They would love that. So I don't know what their intentions are with shorting all these companies. If they want to see them go bankrupt, it's ideal. But a lot of times short positions are just there to offset long positions. AMC can pay 2 months rent right now. Been here since $9. Nice, Miguel. Nice. 2 months rent on AMC stock. I love it, man. You're doing good. AMC can buy me a house right now. Cash. Matt Perry. Beautiful, man. Get it in Myrtle Beach, and then rent it out half the year. Been holding since January. Matt Perry. I love it. AMC would pay off my student loans and would still have my initial investment holding for no mortgage. Brett, amazing, man. Amazing. Dude, I hope all of you guys, listen, I really do. Whether we actually squeeze to $100,000 or anything ridiculous, I hope that Matt Perry has enough money to pay cash for a house and sets himself up that he can buy the mechanic shop that he works at. Or if he doesn't want to do that, he could do something completely different. Man, I hope that Brett pays all his student loans down, gets completely debt-free, and goes out and pays off his mortgage as well. Like, I hope that all of you guys get that. I don't really care what price it goes to. I just hope that whatever you're shooting for and whatever your goals are in AMC, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. We all have a why. My why is y'all. Dude, that's what I'm saying, man. The price doesn't matter as much to me as you guys know what your situation is. You guys know how many shares you have, all of that. I just want to see you guys be able to accomplish all of it. AMC can buy me a used car right now. Nice, Nick Gurr. And Miguel's got 2 months rent paid there. Corey says fake BS. Wow, you're so fame, bro. I don't even know what that means. I'm so fame. What a great guy. Thank you, Corey. I appreciate it, man. He's in the chat today. I know. And listen, I still wish the same thing for Corey, too, man. I don't know if Corey wants to go out and buy a new pack of colored pencils or what, but I still wish that Corey could go out and buy a brand new pack of colored pencils and maybe even a glue stick. Well, no, he's getting a little weird, but you don't have to do it just yet. Why do we pay and continue to prop up Ortex when they're selling us uncertain data? It's like paying for a month fee to hear about a doomsday date that it can change whenever they want. Limit 22, man. I would agree with that. I would agree with that. I don't pay for Ortex data because at the end of the day, it is an estimated number. And although it's nice to have estimated numbers, dude, it lags. And although they try to base it on a good stuff, it's just better to have the actual reported data than base it off somebody's estimate and then miss out on that. So Clay, we spiked from 12 to 77. Matt Course says it was roughly 30 million shares returned. How would you get Well, Martin, I don't think that was 30 million shares returned. And here's the deal. Borrowed shares returned doesn't actually mean short shares covered. We did go from 102 million shares shorted, like reported as shorted, to 85 million shares reported as shorted. So they did cover some of those. Now, we don't know, and this is what you got to think about, right? We don't know if they covered 50 million shares that they had out at lower levels and then reshorted whatever the difference is in that. I don't know, 35. So if there was a 15 million share difference, maybe they covered 50 million shares and reshorted 35 million shares to equal that 35 or equal that 15 net. We don't exactly know, but we do know that there was 15 million less short shares reported on the most recent short report than there was on the prior one. So yes. Corey, dude, I don't know why you came in so hot, man. I really don't care what the price goes to. I really do want to see everybody in here reach whatever goal they have. And you know everybody's got a different one. So, goodness gracious, man. Dude is all worried. Like, the fact that I really do want to see Matt get a house and Brett get his house paid off, man, and his student loans and whatever else you guys are holding for. Dude, I don't care if you're holding for a brand new Corvette, like if you've already got the house you want and you just want a sports car. I don't care if you're holding to put your kids through college. I don't care if you're holding for just a sick vacation. You know what I mean? Like, whatever you guys are holding for. If you got 10 shares of AMC and you want to watch it go to $1,000 and you want to just go on vacation, that's fine with me. That's fine with me. Like, any of that stuff is good with me. If you've got 1,000 shares and you want to watch it go to $1,000 and you want to make $1 million, like, I'm on board with that. Hit that like button. Newfo, thank you very much. Bye, Felicia. I've got a mug that says that, darling. Oh, I don't understand. I just don't understand why I like everything that darling says. ClayBro, realistically, how long do you see this dragging out until it squeezes, months or years? GR, I don't think it's going to be years, man. I don't think it's going to be years. I do not think it's going to happen anytime soon, though. There's a lot more stuff that needs to line up before we actually see the squeeze happen. But I don't think it's going to take years, man. If it takes years, I feel like people are going to fall off. I feel like there's a lot of people like Corey who might get uninterested and just want to fall off. So, and Anthony Jowders wants to buy a home, man. That's what I'm saying. Joseph's holding for his mama. Xiao Xiao is going to buy a Lambo, maybe. Whitey's going to buy some energy drinks. 20-gram energy drinks, okay. How much debt y'all have to pay off? Kim wants to know how much debt we're all in. All right, guys, this would be easier if we divide and conquer. I'll take a symbol. I'll take ticker symbols A to C and let everyone know in the stocks I don't believe in now. Who wants to start at D? Let everyone in the stocks I don't believe in now. Don't believe in no, maybe? I don't know. Who wants to start at D? Dude, why do you give it start at A? Come on! I want A, yes. Whitey's doing energy drinks, man. Whitey's doing energy drinks. 20-gram energy drinks. Who you want, Suns or Bucks? Shane, I have no idea. Suns? Is that a bad choice? I don't know anything about it. But a new Lambo costs about 800. Dude, you talking Singapore dollars, man? A new Lambo's not going to cost 800,000 US dollars. Come on. Holding to retire, working for 20 years as an ICU nurse. Love what I do, but having the option to retire when I choose is a great feeling. Lex Luthor, absolutely. Absolutely. And see, and your goal is different than somebody else's goal who might really want an $800,000 Lamborghini. It's completely different. I will be gifting the down payment for all of my Colorado real estate buyer clients. Patty. That's crazy because you probably do have a lot of clients right now. But that's something I have not heard before. So I like that too. want to buy a bro a lamp to play with his anteater. A lamp to play with. I thought you said lamp. I'm like, why is my anteater gonna play with a lamp? Bring on the fight, like Tupac said. I don't want it if it's easy, and this is not. I mean, guys, it is easy to hold. We can't argue with the fact that it is easy to hold the stock, but yeah, it's not going as quickly as a lot of people would want. A hurricane's probably 800,000. Singapore 800,000 to a million. Xiao, crazy. Can we just get my Twitter as pinned message so Shills can hit me up to talk? The AMC Vigilante. You can tell him whatever you want, man. The AMC Vigilante. Oh my goodness, M. James in the house. What is up, M. James? How are you doing, man? Glad to have you in here. It's been a couple days. I was starting to worry about you. I was thinking, M. James, no, I saw it. I'm starting to think M. James is trying to treat me like I treat his DMs. He's just not coming around anymore. I only have 100 shares at 24 average. I'm just trying to add to my savings. Nice, Tina. Nice. And you know what? Even if you got 100 shares, think about it. If it goes up to $800 or if it goes up to $1,000 and you got another $80,000 that you can add to your savings right now, you know, who knows? Maybe you won't be able to retire off $80,000. I don't know your situation. But yeah, you could definitely do some damage by building that savings account up with a very nice short squeeze. Did you watch the January GME squeeze or did you take part? I watched it, Shane. I did not get in. I did not get into that. Remember, guys, to do charity with your earnings. Yeah, Kim says do some charity with your earnings. Hurricane 260,000, 320 Lambo, Aventador 530 to 760. Dan. $760,000? Like, why is that so expensive? Would be interesting after this is all over how we compared our final sale price, kind of like contest to see who held the longest and who had the largest gains. Yeah, and if NFTs are still a thing when this thing squeezes, which I feel like the NFT hype was kind of short-lived, but I'm sure they're still out there. Somebody, whoever gets out at the top, man, I hope it's somebody in this live stream, but if anybody is able to sell a share at the absolute peak, like the very top price that we hit on the chart, they need to make that into an NFT and sell it immediately. Clay, what do you want to be when you grow up? An older version of me, Shifty McSly, Phineas. Just an older version of me. I got a 12-year-old graveyard. I got a 12-hour graveyard shift listening to the bro stream on the drive home. Jesse, good morning / good night to you. You gonna take a nap when you get home? You gonna go to sleep when you get home? Glad to see you're listening in there. Don't be texting and driving now. It's all right, unless you're at a stoplight. But I'm holding for myself too. And I'll be able to throw my own festival free of charge to the public. It's gonna cost you $800 a piece because I know we'll be able to afford it. Joseph, nice. We'll show up. It's like the barbecue that I'll be throwing. Only the green names get to eat. The gray names can just hang out. Charity's the best stripper in town. He's definitely going to be throwing Charity some money. Brett will definitely be throwing Charity some money. Kim. At the dentist, guys. John Smith is at the dentist, man. Make sure she cleans those teeth good and tell your dentist to subscribe to the channel. Hey, John, if you get your dentist to subscribe to the channel, I'll tell everybody in the area to go to that dentist right now. Let's see it happen. Let's see it happen, dude. I'll tell everybody in the area to check out that dentist office if the dentist comes on and says that she just subscribed. Matt Kors is funnier and more handsome than you, Clay. Timmy, yeah, I would agree. Some people think that Matt is a nicer looking fellow. Clay, you are a full-time trader. Deal Xiao. Yes. I'm going to buy parts to build. Deal Xiao. Technically, I am an adult entertainer, right? I make YouTube videos and go live on YouTube. And you guys are all adults. And these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Okay? So knowing that they're for entertainment purposes only, and you guys are adults, I'm entertaining adults. Therefore, that makes me an adult entertainer. You are correct. Timmy, man, really likes AMC. I like it. Good morning, Clay. Let's end the week with a big boom green candle. Arwen, we call them chipmunk tails here, and I would absolutely love to end it on a nice big green candle. $50+. 760 full carbon fiber, all the highest performance extras can actually bring you to 800,000 plus. Dang, man, Dan knows his Lambos, doesn't he? Sometimes go to check my sound is still on. We're watching Matt Kors' awkward silences. Yes, Martin, you have to watch out for that. Like, you might get hit with a buffering symbol when you're watching Matt Kors sometimes, but it's actually not buffering. It's just the fact that you guys are sitting there like this. You might get that if somebody sends me a super sticker and like I make a face for 5 seconds, but it can happen. Trust me, I know. Hornet says, I don't know, but I've got a feeling that this wealth transfer is going to change the world because the most rich people, the 1%, give a darn penny about this planet. Let's change it, boys. Hornet, let's change it, man. Let's do it. We just can't grow up to be like them. ClayBro, is there any way that hedge funds could avoid the squeeze, or are they just postponing the inevitable? Both, Darren, both. So if they try to postpone it long enough, you and I, we might get, well, I'm not going to get bored, but you might get bored, right? And then as soon as people start to get bored and they jump ship, there's no prospect of a squeeze. Because the whole thing with a squeeze, man, is you have to make sure that those shares are not available for them to buy up at low prices. And when you make sure that those shares are not available to buy up, they have to offer higher prices to make sure those shares become available. And then that squeezes the price higher, right? So if people are jumping ship and they're getting off board and they're no longer wanting to participate because it's taking too long, then yeah, man, hedge funds can drag this out forever and either cover sporadically or whatever word you want to use there, it's cover over time, or the margin calls won't come. So it's very, I don't want to say that it's guaranteed, but they are guaranteed to cover the shares if AMC, it's not guaranteed to squeeze, but the short shares are guaranteed to be covered if AMC does not go bankrupt. I've already pushed for Clay to go live on Show the VIX and TMI, so it's up to him now. M. James, I was live with TMI yesterday, man. I don't know if you saw it or not, but I was outside on the patio, and I went live with him for about 5 or 10 minutes, and Short the VIX was on there too. And, what's the dude's, I don't know his full name. It's Rogue something, isn't it? I don't know the full name of his channel. Rogue something, right? Somebody help me out on his name. They were all three on there, and then I jumped on there. How much to take a shot? That's the other. Phineas, you got to go to the OnlyFans for that one, man. I don't have an OnlyFans, but a lot of people say that I should. Not going to happen on YouTube against guideline policies, unless you're the ape father, but not going to happen here. Hey, ClayBro and fellow bros. American Virtual, what's going on, man? ClayBro is just bitter. Isn't it just a better idea we attack a stock like Carve and Workhorse that have a way higher short interest? GR. Here's the balance you got to look at there. It would make sense, yes, if the short interest was higher. That would always be good, but it's the amount of people too. It's the amount of focus that you need on holding those shares. So yes, although if I don't know the numbers on Carver Workhorse, right? But if the numbers are higher and you don't have people willing to hold the stock, like if you just have some people going in and trying to do something with those stocks, you might not see the same type of action. AMC's got a crazy community surrounding it, so that speaks more than strictly numbers. Clay, Mac Cores may be funnier and better looking and have a bigger portfolio, but you're doing a great job, buddy. Brett, thank you very much. And Mac Cores is not going to have pogs post-squeeze. I can almost guarantee that. And you know what? We will. I think, you know what I'm going to do today? I think I'm gonna make a custom bro pog just for Brett. Brett, can I get you a custom bro pog, man? I feel like you need one. And you might think that I'm laughing or I'm joking right now, but no, I'm not. I was actually looking up the dimensions on pogs yesterday, and then I went on eBay and found some plastic discs that I can make pogs with. So I feel like I'm gonna get Brett a custom pog. Don't know much about history. Don't know much about AMC. But when we watch the ClayBro show, the more we learn and the more we know. Phineas, appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. A lot of people think that we're just here fooling around, but we do learn something. So the SEC regulation says Regulation 203B3, Rule 203B3 of Regulation Show requires the participants of a registering clearing agency must immediately purchase shares to close out the fails to deliver in the threshold securities list if the fails to deliver persist for 13 consecutive settlement days. American Virtual, very nice. Here is what, I don't know what subsection of what subsection of what subsection shows, but all failed to delivers should only have a shelf life of T plus 4 days anyway. So keep that in mind too. The failed to delivers are only allowed to exist before they really get in trouble for having them for T plus 4 days. Is today the day we get to sneeze? No way, ClayBro is hot. Oh, Mr. Levitz, thank you. Pog. No, dude, Pog. Pog, dude. Pog, dude. Wrong Pog. If Matt Kors took you out on a date, who would pay? Me. Easy question, limit 22. Anybody got a hard question? Me. I would pay. I would be taking him out on a date, not the other way around. Come on! You guys should know this by now. In an hour, we're looking for AMC. How are we looking for AMC? NUFO. An hour in, how are we looking at AMC? Basically the exact way we were looking at the market open. Right here, at the bottom of the day. 46.90. Let's put the bottom of the day in here and see if we fall through that. 46.60. Hopefully we do not fall through this level at all today. We can ride that support. This is a very soft and limpid day, not hard. Yeah, Juan, it is definitely soft so far. You mentioned that you were live with Short the VIX. What do you think about his videos regarding AMC crashing the market? Lex, I honestly don't know if we're going to get to that point. I really don't know if we're going to get to that price point on AMC where it crashes the market. Why would it crash the market? If the hedge funds had to go out and liquidate other positions that they're holding in order to cover the losses for AMC. But I with margin calls and everything out there, I don't think that we are going to get to the point where it absolutely crashes the market. So, although it is definitely possible, I don't know if that should be a concern for everybody. Dad said Clay's better looking. Thank you. Shayna, he has to. He's his son. But Matt Kors is an international sex symbol. The men can't be matched. One day. All we have to do is who makes, forget about Forbes, forget about Fox, forget about CNBC, all of those crazy interviews that Mr. Kors is getting. Just everybody starts spamming GQ in here. And then maybe I can get an interview with GQ. And then that'll settle it. Everybody can have their interviews with Fox and Charles Payne and all of that. But let's go for the cover of GQ, and then we'll all settle it, guys. Once and for all. Look at that bread. Luca! We gotta find that bad mamacita, Luca. Socrates says, I've played out the possible endgame scenarios for AMC in my head. If I sold and missed this squeeze, I would regret it for the rest of my life, holding no matter what price until they cover. Socrates, I like it, man. And once you've done that, once you've come to terms with yourself and how you feel about it, you're a dangerous man. You're a dangerous man at this point, and I like it. That might not actually be biased. That might actually be biased, Brett. Yeah, you might not. Dad, watching them YouTubers now. Oh man, some subscribers follow Matt for his GameStop coverage. You might want to consider adding GME to the mix. Mr. Levitz, I have considered it. Like, I'll show you the fact that I did consider it. I mean, we got it on the... Oh, you know what? Actually, I may have changed GameStop. Yeah, the other day. Jamal, man. Jamal, I miss you. Jamal was in here, and he wanted me to look at CPOP for a minute. Which I don't even know how it's doing. Is it still doing okay? So I do have the double chart on here if people are interested in GameStop. But the thing is, like, I'll just be honest with everybody. I don't know the numbers on GameStop like I know the numbers on AMC. I don't focus as much on it. So I feel like I wouldn't be as much of an asset if people came in here and had some deeper questions about it. Now, if it's something you guys wanted me to do, I could start looking into it a little bit more for sure. But that's kind of like why. They haven't invited Clay on Fox Business because it would have to air at late night when the adult content is more lax. Possibly Brett, or they just don't like my opinion on things. I don't know. Oh, you had Tara? Okay, I don't know anything about Tara. I know she's on Twitter. That's all I know about her. If the hedge fund slowly keeps covering, say 5 to 10 mil a day, would it prevent the squeeze from happening? Darren, it would prevent the squeeze from happening. It wouldn't squeeze up in price. That's why it's so important. That's why it's so important, man, to hold the stocks. If they cover slowly, if they're willing to take the loss that they've got right now, if they're willing to book a $4 billion loss, then yeah, they can cover slowly and they can get out. But you have to think, man, they have to be willing to do it and willing to admit that they were wrong on the short positions. And that just stresses the importance of people holding the stock and not selling it back no matter what the price is, because you could be selling it back to a hedge fund at any time. Just a suggestion. I think you should stick with AMC. Yeah, Mr. Levitz. I just, that's the way I'm going with it. I feel more, because dude, I feel like stock market in general. I could talk about squeezes and GameStop in general and all of that stuff. I do read articles on GameStop, but I just, the numbers. I know the numbers better on AMC right now, because I don't focus on GameStop every single day. And it's not just the hedge funds we're up against. It's a group of short sellers, financial investments firms, etc. Yeah, and anybody that's shorting AMC, guys, we have to make sure. American Virtual, I know, and I think his name's Jack, Galactic Finance. He, smart kid, but we just have to make sure that we hold the stock. And I would assume that he's promoting the same thing over there. But if we sell this stock back, guys, if you're day trading AMC, you could be selling every single share back to the Brett. Darren, stop sharing. Darren, stop sharing. Darren, stop sharing. Yeah, Darren, I did answer your question, man. So, can Jimmy Crypto cause a mother short squeeze? Mito, man, here's the deal with that. I don't really know how that would work. I saw some people talking about that, and I also saw some things. I think that is pure speculation at this point, and I don't know how they would do a crypto short squeeze or a crypto dividend to trigger a short squeeze. It's 18, not 14. Dude, and I'm not ripping on him because I say he looks like he's 14. I mean, he does look like he's a very young guy. He looks like a very young guy. I don't think anybody's going to get mad. But yeah, the fact that he, like, every 5 minutes, so you can tell he's young because he's like, oh, all right, bet. I don't even know what bet means, you know? So, dude, somebody needs to set up an interview between Galactic Finance and Jay Ingram. I'm pretty sure there's like a 100-year difference between the two of those guys. So somebody needs to set that up, and we can kind of see if Jay calls him a whippersnapper at any point in that interview, I'll lose it. Oh, now you, Rashid. What is Rashid saying? Ortex? Rashid wants Ortex? Dude, what do you want on Ortex, man? Just go to Ortex's Twitter and look it up. He promotes the same thing. I mean, I'll be the first to say, like, he will and you will. If you're risking too much, go ahead, reduce your position. I don't think we should shun people who sell. No, dude, I don't like people that day trade. Like, I don't want people out there day trading AMC because they could be doing that. But, yeah, you got to get to a point where people are willing to hold the stock. And if you got too much in it, man, you just got to take a step back and hold what you're willing to hold. I had to tell my uncle what bet means. Luca, you need to tell me what bet means too, man. The kid's over there, he's like, oh yeah, I just made like $700 on my options today. Bet. Like, dude, what? What are you betting on now? You were betting on the stock price going up? Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you were betting? You were betting it would go up today, right? That's why you bought your call option. Is that what you're saying? I estimated the Ortex estimate says an estimated 500 quadrillion shares borrowed today. Brett, that sounds exactly accurate. Your estimate is, I estimate that your estimate is accurate, and I would estimate that you are a better estimator than estimating Ortex is. Shana, I learned this from third graders that stop the cap means stop lying. Stop a bet. Bet, Shana. Stop the cap means stop lying. Bet. Did I use that right? I don't even know. Have you seen Ryan Cohen Lego tweet? Do you think that his confirmation bias that his Legos had apes on the moon? No, I did not see. I don't follow Ryan Cohen on Twitter. I think that you guys are really subliminal. If you guys trying to read something into all these tweets, though. Rocket is in the house. What is up, Rocket? How are you doing, man? American Virtual, I'm with you. And by the way, when I say we shouldn't do something, I don't mean imply you're doing it. No, American, I got you, man. I got you. Anytime a 17-year-old nephew texts me, I just reply Gucci. Dude, I'd be like, dude, Uncle Brett wants a Gucci wallet? Like, what should I do? Your nephew's going to get you a Gucci wallet for your birthday, Brett. You better watch out for that one. Bro, I know I'm only 14. Will you buy me some beer? Yes, bet. No, Joseph. That is not Gucci. Stop the cap, man. Stop the cap. Short interest shares are currently at the highest amount borrowed they've ever been. On AMC? I don't know about that. American Virtual says, just want to offend anyone, gotta keep it. Nah, you don't have to. American Virtual, you don't have to. I don't really care about that. I don't think anybody else does either. All right, head back to Mom, but I hate missing your streams, bro. Stop by again soon. Perfect. American Virtual, bring some of his viewers over. Do a raid, and then I'll tell everybody in here to subscribe to his channel too. We gotta keep it real, man. We gotta keep it real. Quit capping. We Gucci, Clay. We got that Gucci. I feel like I need to go buy a Gucci wallet or something. Yeah, Joseph says, quit capping, man. Bet. No cap. No baseball cap on. Bet. Corner store. No baseball caps, guys. Luca is in the house, man. Every time I see Luca's name, I think about Bad Mamacitas. I'm like, dude, nice. Shane is cooler than Clay. Confirmed. It is. It is confirmed, actually. I don't even know what no cap means. If that's what we even said anymore. Stop the cap? What did she even say was the slang, the term? Stop the cap? Like, I would think unscrew the cap or something. Loosen the cap. I think we've known that since the cargo shorts bombshell. Dude, there's nothing wrong with cargo shorts. The cargo shorts are the coolest shorts there are. Bet the clap on Clay's beard suite. Lex Luthor, I already read it, man. You can't retract it if I already read it. I can't understand your language, bro. Roman the Shield. I can't even understand the language. I'm very sorry. You're Indian. I am American. I can also not understand the language that's happening right now. It's like the new generation language. I have no idea what it means. You know what finesse means? Yeah, it means like when you go to do a finger roll layup, you finesse the ball right into the hoop when you're playing basketball. First is what 1450 blah blah blah. Now is 50 blah blah blah. Are we ever gonna see over 60? Is 60 the squeeze or what? Jonas, I wouldn't put all your hope on one price target being the squeeze or like starting the squeeze. What's wrong with cargo shorts? I wear cargos. Nothing's wrong with cargos. Who's got Brother Man Ben? I think probably everybody. I thought the kids were talking about cap guns. Dude, I would think they're talking about bottle caps. That's what I would think. But who knows now? 90% current short interest to free float, according to Ortex. Last time we spiked, we were around 19%. Just looking. Nice, Martin. Staying up on the numbers. Martin, I designate you number man. So you can keep it out there. And let us know what the numbers are. Keep us updated every once in a while because people like when we talk numbers on AMC. A lot of people, they only want to see the charts. They want to see like full screen charts. So we can watch the charts. Here's the deal. I in no disrespect to anybody else. Like Galactic Finance, the kids killing it. And kids killing it. Members, kids killing it. But I couldn't sit there. And I don't know if people sit there all day with those guys, but I couldn't sit there all day and just be calm like this, and I just ignore you guys, and then I say, okay, well, yes, AMC has been experiencing a slight decline over the last hour to a half hour, and we potentially have somewhere here, oh, this is my, and we've broken a new low for the day, and we are currently sitting at 46.25. This could be a potential where we turn around, but we would need to see this lower trend broken here. This downward trend needs to be broken to the upside if we expect to add any positions to our portfolio at this time. So as we can go here, we do see this downward channel, and we would like to see a breakout to the upside if we add any positions or potentially do a YOLO play on some options. And yes, it is looking, I feel like I could get some more viewers if that was the case, but I don't. I wouldn't even have fun doing that. I really wouldn't. Finesse or being finessed is like getting robbed. Joseph! I thought finesse was a good thing, man. If you got finesse, you're like, ooh, yeah. Dude, ClayBro's got finesse, man. I just got some partial shares today. My OCD is from part pad. See, I get whatever I can get my hands on. Do it live. Get some partial, like if you just get a partial share today and then you get a partial share on Monday, like half. Dude, there's nothing OCD about that, man. Just even it out on the long term. Stuff going on, but who can explain this better for me and possibly the group? I'm still holding no matter what. Scotty, I can explain it, but what do you need explained, man? Shane, if that's true, that's pretty funny. Did not see what Shane said. Dad greets me each morning with a classic rocket in his voice. In his one. No. That's true. Rocket. I can confirm that. That is true. Because I'll be on the phone with Dad, and then out of nowhere, dude, it's like, you know, I say it when you say something in the chat, or if you send a super chat, but Dad will just be out of nowhere, and he'll be like, Rocket! And I'm like, yep. Did Rocket send you a super chat? Like, what is going on here? What about you bugging? I don't know if I'm bugging. Maybe. Clay, is Gucci Man wearing Calvin Klein while promoting a beard sweat for men with Jamal Jackson? Has Lauren and Cookie been being seductive on him? I like what you're thinking about. I like the way you're going with this, Lex. This is a commercial that we've got. Good morning, Clay. Good morning, AA Cruise PDX. How long do you think we have to get before the settled shares? Before this thing, how long do you think we have to get more settled shares before this thing skyrockets? 2 days. You get 2 days to get settled shares in your account, man. I don't know if that's what you're asking or not, but Clay, if you talked like that, I'd sell my AMC. If I talked like getting a cap, like busting a cap and finessing, you'd sell your AMC? Is that what you're saying? Oh my gosh, darling, I love seeing that name in the chat. Yeah, don't do that again, Clay. I nearly fell asleep. I'd rather... Oh, gotcha. All right, we're still back on the silent mode there. Dang, I feel like my chat's backed up. If someone is annoying you, tell them to cut the applesauce and the malarkey, or you'll give them a knuckle sandwich. Brett is the man, dude. A knuckle sandwich. A knuckle sandwich. I can guarantee you my uncle's not watching right now, but he used to make the best knuckle sandwiches. Ape Nation from Galactic to Bro, all the way to Ingram. I like it, Nufo. I learned some slang from Jay Ingram. You did, man. Cut the malarkey. You're going to get a knuckle sandwich. Why do you have 10K subscribers more than Galactic Finance but 5 times less viewers? Herbert. Because he's very calm. I guarantee that's what it is. I think they listen in the background while they're at work or something, and they just want to have some charts up on the screen. And, you know, it's time to talk about AMC in the downtrend. And you remember how we drew the downward-facing channel here to see if AMC was going to be breaking out to the upside or the downside. It looks like we might be continuing this downward trend here. Hopefully we do not break out to the downside and have an even steeper decline. We would really need to see this price action bounce off the bottom end of the channel and go up through the upper end of the channel. Yeah, I really think it's the calmness of these dudes. I really do. And I know we joke around a lot on here, but guys, don't forget, like, we've got stuff to offer in here. You can learn something and have fun doing it. Mr. Livestream tweet that suggested the catalyst is coming up and maybe a price jump. They're building an NFT platform coming up with GameStop NFT crypto next Wednesday. Mr. Levitz, please don't put too much faith in that though, because even though they're building an NFT platform, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be doing a crypto or NFT dividend or anything like that. Not according to the kids. When they get ripped off, they say, I got finessed. Joseph, if that's the case, they got finessed by a dude that knew more than them. So, that dude that finessed them has finesse. They're just dumb kids. The volume! How can it be 25 and 145 yesterday? How can it be 25 and 145 yesterday? Volume 25 and 145 yesterday. What are we talking about? Was volume on AMC was not 25 yesterday. Oh no, I don't want that one. Oh no, here we are. Oh, 25 million today maybe and 145 million yesterday? Is that what you're talking about? Dude, a lot less people are trading the stock so far today. It's alright. Fridays are typically a little bit slower anyways. Darling, your British is impeccable. Mine as well. You got Dad yelling rocket throughout this house now. You're now acting like earlier. No, how are you acting? Yeah. Gotcha. ClayBro, you're a... I don't even know what that means, dude. JLT? Can you buy partial on Webull? Yes, you can, Joseph. And all month of July long, if you use the link in the description below, you only have to deposit $5 to get your free stocks this month. Otherwise, you got to deposit $100. When he said Uncle Sandwich, I thought of Uncle and almost threw up. Knuckle Sandwich. Did I say Uncle? Did I say an Uncle Sandwich? Dude, I don't want an Uncle Sandwich. Hey, Clay, love what you do. You always keep it 100. Benjamin, thank you very much. Appreciate you answering every question in the chat. Herbert, I appreciate you being in the chat. Thank you very much. I bought $500 every day this week, and it keeps dropping. Feel like I'm bringing y'all down. Kai, I feel like if you sell, you might be the catalyst that drives the squeeze to happen. So maybe if you just take one for the team, you and some other guys, you might need to take one for the team here. Got to head into the office. Maybe me leaving will cause the price to go up. Talk to y'all on the afternoon stream. AMC to the moon. New Abyss. Thank you for stopping by this morning. Make sure to click the like button if you haven't done it already. And we will definitely see you this afternoon, my man. Thank you. 145 was end of day. 25 is current. Yes. Correct on that one. And just a lot less people selling shares. And you are correct, dude. 145 was end of day yesterday. And so far we've traded 25 million. Clay, how big is your bed? Juan, I don't know if you'll ever find out, man. I thought about this. Maybe the guy worked for hedge funds or somehow fool everyone to hold AMC just because he know AMC is going down and everyone will lose their money. Yanni, me or somebody else? Promise, dude. Even though the wall does look like Citadel's waiting room, it's not the case. Love to drop to $40 so I can buy some more. Selfish, I know. It's all right, Royal. It could drop to 40. We don't know. I'll finish work chat later, Clay. Martin, have a good day at work. Lambo shortage. Soon, Lambo inflation. For sure. $1 million plus. Benjamin Olivia, thank you very much for becoming a little bro. Guys, I want to see it right now. 118 welcome Benjamins in the chat right now. Please, let's welcome Benjamin for becoming a little bro. Thank you, Benjamin, for getting that green name, for getting that little astronaut next to your name right there. Everybody, welcome Ben to the bro. And Yanni, dude, I promise, I'm not, I don't work for the hedge funds. I wouldn't do that. At a barbecue, I'll sneak some knuckle sandwiches for my gray names. Do it, Brett. Gray names need some knuckle sandwiches. Olivia, brother, yes. Oh, Aliva. My bad, Benjamin. My bad. I for some reason, I looked like there was two eyes in there. Benjamin Oliva. I like it. Thank you very much. Benjamin Oliva. I want to see these welcomes, Benjamin, in the chat right now. Welcome, Benjamin. You get regular food at the barbecue. Yes, you do, Benjamin. Regular food at the barbecue. Sun Lee, don't retract your message. Come on, send it again. Welcome, Chris. Thank you very much. Tyler, welcome. Chase. Enough of this. Where is Littletail? You know what? Maybe I should open the door to see if anybody wants to come in this morning. But it was raining this morning. It's gray outside now, but it's not raining anymore. Clay, can you explain in smooth brain terms this threshold list on AMC? Arwin, absolutely. So, fail to delivers. First, you need to understand a fail to deliver. In a regular transaction, let's say I bought a share of AMC today. The seller has, well, the broker. So, the broker facilitates the deal. The broker has 2 days to complete the deal. And what completing the deal means is getting the shares from the seller and getting my money from me and swapping hands, right? A fail to deliver occurs when something bad happens in that transaction. So T plus 2 days. At the end of that 2 days, either the seller didn't give me the shares, I didn't give the seller the money, or just some error occurred on the broker's end that resulted in a fail to deliver. Now, in a failed on the threshold list, you have to have 10,000 shares and at least 0.5% of total outstanding shares, resulting in fail to delivers per day for 5 consecutive days. So with roughly 500 million shares outstanding for AMC, that means at least 2.5 million shares, or 2.5 million failed to delivers, occurred on AMC for 5 consecutive days. So it's as simple as that. That's how you make the list. Just the fact that we had 5 consecutive days of over 2.5 million failed to delivers. ClayBro, why is it feeling like they're applying SSR on us, not them? I don't know. I don't know because I have not been trying to short AMC, but it is not on us. It is on them. We do not need to worry about that. Luca, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Luca. I appreciate Luca. I appreciate the super sticker. Thank you very much, Luca, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. If you guys are wondering why this dude's crying on screen, it's because I have to imitate the super sticker that came on across there, and Luca sent a crying face. So that is exactly what you guys get. Luca, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, man. Love what you do, Clay. Always keep it 100. Benjamin Olivia, thank you very much for that. And I will always keep it 100, man. Are they stealing our money to pay off their debt? Matthew, I don't think they're stealing our money, man. Have you ever seen the infamous video clips of Bill O'Reilly where he says, "Let's do it live"? No, I have not seen that. Have you ever seen the infamous clips of every single one of my videos? At the beginning, I have to say, let's get started. I feel like we need that. Keep crying, Clay. Everyone says something mean. I know, man. The candles are responding to the crying. Are they? Let's find the candles. I need to see what the candles are doing. If they're responding, we need to know. Oh, they are. No. AMC. Just go up, AMC. Please. God. What's up, ClayBro? Love the energy. Also, let Trip Bro know I said what's up. Trey's Subway Cup. You know what? Crumbs, not cup. I'm going to go open the door to see if he wants to come in. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, James is crying. Everybody start crying. We need AMC to go up. Please. Start crying. Alright. Doors open. Maybe we can see if the chipmunk's hungry this morning. Little tail. Parents always said I was the smartest, but you sound like you know what you're talking about, bro. Well, if you think I know what I'm talking about, and you're the smartest, that makes me smart as well. Thank you very much. I like it. Clay, your toe ring looks like someone put 6-pack rings around hot dogs. Yes, Brett, that is exactly what my toe rings look like, and toe rings coming soon. Keep an eye out for them. You're gonna want to get your hands on those hot dog toe rings. Diamond tiers, baby. We got those diamond tiers. AMC, diamonds, Chris T. Did I miss something? Maybe. I don't know. I caught back up. I definitely caught. All right, I caught back up. We're doing good here. What do we got? Big chart. Oh, another question I have, since I don't spend all day in the other guys' chats. Do the other guys that stream, do they ever go like big face, little chart, or do they always say little face, big chart? ClayBro toe rings 99 cents. Come on now, we gotta charge more than 99 cents for the toe rings. Clove to the moon. Juan wants Clove to go to the moon. Do they ever go big face, little chart, or is it always little face, big chart? That might be something too. People just might not like my face. That might be why we have less viewers. Is it always little face, big chart? Little face, big chart from what I've seen? Always, huh? They never go big face, little chart. But why? I mean, I know it's cool, but this is what the people want? Oh, hey, we might have another VWAP coming in. Be careful. I'm spotting a VWAP on the chart here. Big chart, little face, big chart, big chart. Oh, man. Tell me a story. Once upon a time, there was a man named Juan, and he made a lot of money on AMC. The end. Big Ben! Thank you for the super chat, Big Ben. Clay, I love what you do. I always keep it 100, and thanks for saying my last name correctly. Oliva, not Olivia. Big Ben. Thank you for changing your name, and thank you for correcting me on your name. I'm very sorry that I saw it incorrectly, and Yeah, well, now that the name is changed, we got Big Ben in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome Big Ben to the chat. Yes. People want the candles. James Brown, people want the candles and they don't want the big face. Like big... They don't have faces that are big enough. Cognitive renaissance? Resonance. Cognitive resonance. Like, contrary to popular belief, I kind of have a small face, man. It might look big, but not that big in real life. It's like this big. That's it. My face is look, you can tell. My face is actually only that big. It's not that big at all. Clay, we need to see some stripes for the Bengals. You like the Bengals? Big Ben in the house. Yes, Big Ben is in the house. They don't have Chip either. They do not have Chip. Nobody's got Chip except for me. But I don't have Chip this morning. Clay like 5'4". You know it, Juan. Your face is huge. Oh, it's this big. Look, you can tell right now. It's only that big. It covers my whole face. See? Simple. Big Ben says, you're part of my morning routine. Love these morning live videos. Big Ben, man, glad that I am a part of your morning live or morning routine. And literally, I am, man. I'm glad that I'm a part of your routine. Glad that I don't know where you're from. If you wake up, if it's West Coast or West Coast, East Coast, what do you got going on right now? Dude, I'm glad you guys have fun in here. Seriously, I am. You know, people can make trading boring. And although not making money is never really boring, but people can make trading boring. So I'm glad that you guys have a very good sense of humor and you do like to have fun because I don't know, I would fall asleep if we were just sitting here. Cali, LA, nice, Big Ben. You do get up pretty early then. What are you sitting on, Clay? A chair? Yeah. So thank you guys so much for just always having fun in here, having a good time. I appreciate that. I think everybody else does as well. Because it can get so... If we talk... And we don't want to put Lauren to sleep. I mean, we don't want to put Darling to sleep. Because, Darling, we've got a green candle, and a red candle, and a green candle, and a red candle, and a green candle, and a red candle. And it's so difficult when AMC is trending sideways. It's like, what do? Do you sit there and look at it? Check your phone. The ladies are texting. Exactly. I'm putting my darling to sleep right now, and I don't want my darling to fall asleep. It's the middle of the afternoon over there. We're approaching tea time, and we just have to make sure that we keep darling awake and we have fun because my goodness, guys. Darling, you got to work anymore today? Any more clients coming in? Let us know. And, yeah, how much do these other guys know about your lives over there? We need to make sure that Darling's keeping up with all of her clients and that they have a good time because they need to know that they are in the best hands in the United Kingdom. If you guys are in the UK right now, boy, girl, doesn't matter. If you want some semi-permanent lash extensions, you know where to go. Hit up Darling on Twitter, @Darling. Actually, I don't know what the ad is, but hit up Darling on Twitter, please. Best lash extender in the land. Yes, in an hour. Look at this. Darling is now scheduling clients around our live stream times. Stream ends in an hour. She gets her client in an hour. I like it. Darling, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Hola, Graciela. Glad to have you in here. She's doing my lashes next. Matt Perry, get it done, man. I feel like I should fly over to the UK and get it done. Just to see what it's like. Hi from England. Tea time here, but sat in the garden watching you. Got in late to AMC, but hanging on and enjoying the ride. Andy Munn. Shout out to England, man. And we're gonna read that one. Andy, this is how I picture Andy wrote that message in his head. Hello from England. Tea time here, but sat in the garden watching you. Got in late to AMC, but hanging on and enjoying the ride. Andy, is that what you sound like, man? Guess you're gonna leave. He's like, I just clicked unsubscribe right now. Oh, gosh. Oh, what kind of wall is it? I like it. Shiplap, Juan. Shiplap. Bought in at $9 a share, averaged up to $30 a share, kept buying the dip. I'm holding till we squeeze. I love it, Big Ben. I love it. Blackjack Dealer lashes help keep the mosquitoes away from my face. Mine too, Blackjack. Boom! I'm organized. I love it, darling. Stay organized, darling. Stay organized. After the squeeze, I'm going to hire Darling to make my lashes look like Flojo's nails. Brett, that sounds perfect. I might do it pre-squeeze. Blackjack Dealer says, or no, Shruti, Blackjack Dealer must be at least 3-foot lashes. We went for the XL package. Can you grab a blow glass from behind you? Juan, no, it's too far away. Andy, where you from? Andy, Darling wants to know. That's funny, but I'm not a. That's funny, but I'm not a Cockney. Andy, I have no idea. I have no idea if I was even like remotely close on that accent, dude. That's terrible. Well, you had a very nice beard. Thank you, Juan. I appreciate that. Leicester. Gosh, sometimes I just wish, I could have Darling on the live stream as well. And then when Andy says they're from Leicester or Leicester, I could say, do the accent, and then she could do it, and then I could try to do it, and I'd be like, I'm Andy from Leicester. Might be right. I am in 386 shares, but my average is 16 a share. Check to check. I keep stacking shares. Oh, paycheck to paycheck. I keep stacking shares. Haven't averaged up much this week, though. Trade Subway Crumbs, very nice. Do you want any GME? I do not. Do it live. How's there 1 million shares to borrow? And yesterday there was 0. Danny, people are trading in accounts that have margin. People are trading in margin accounts that have share lending available. Good morning, Clay. Good morning, Juan. How are you doing? What's up, ClayBro? When are you jumping in on the live stream of Short to VIX? We go crazy on those live streams. Antics, when's he normally do them? Like, when's he want to do them? I jumped in with Mass Investor yesterday during my break. All Brits sound like Tiny Tim. They do, dude. They do, for sure. Like, that's the only thing that I can think of in my head right now. Clay, what's your favorite color? Green candles, baby. Green candles, my favorite color. Come on now. You should know by now. Selling? No. Texting and driving? Still a problem. It is. Brett, you're probably right there. Brett is always right on everything. It's pronounced Lester. The heck you spell it like that for then, dude? Why do you spell it like that if it's Lester? Clay Diamonds, Shruti. I love the custom emojis. Thank you. Juan compliments your beard and wants to see your room. What kind of a chat room is this? MD. This is an AMC chat room. When people make money, they do weird things. When people have a lot of money laying around, they tend to be in some pretty weird things. And yes, Juan likes the beard and wants to see how big the bed is. You know that dude's rich. You can tell. You can tell that dude's rich strictly by the questions he asks. Say Glucester. Glucester. Come on, England. Come on. Blackjack Dealer. That's my favorite one so far. I like that pink ape the best. I don't know. Clay, how fast can you run? Really fast. I'm like Sonic, man. One time I ran so fast my shoes caught on fire. What's up, Clay? What's up, Joe? Blackjack Dealer. Stop texting and driving. Do it. Chip Bro for CEO. I actually have a strange feeling he ate some of those seeds. Let me go put some more down because I only see like 3 seeds over there, and there was like 10. The thing about Chip Bro, man, he is like stealth mode. It's since he just shoves them in his cheek and leaves, you can never really tell when he's in here. Little Tail, yeah, that dude just makes a lot of noise. No, Juan, no. I'm gonna take it to the bank. Take it to the bank, man. Didn't know that if you have a brokerage link account with your 401k, you don't pay capital gains tax. Just relating the message if you guys have an account with Fidelity. Big Ben, I don't know about that. I'm pretty sure they're gonna come for their taxes, but who knows? We don't speak like that over here, mate. Jiu-jitsu boy. You might, mate. That's Australian, isn't it? You might, mate. You might speak like that, jiu-jitsu boy. Juan asking the hard questions. He is. Can I see your floor? Those are the difficult questions. What kind of floor do you have? Rug or tile? Hardwood. Juan wants Clay. It seems maybe Juan wants. I know, right? Again, it is. Let's go back to AMC because we got a nice chipmunk tail coming on the candle right here. Let's go back over to Weeble and see what is going on with AMC. And yes, very nice candle that we've got here. 47.14. I do want to get back to green on the day though. Let's see where we need, how we need to go to get green on the day. No, stop it. Yeah, we still got a little ways to go to get up there. We can watch that happen. At least we broke out of that downtrend. Oh my goodness, that downtrend was boring, wasn't it? Glad we were out of that. My gosh. Blackjack Dealer, thank you for the super sticker, Blackjack Dealer. And Blackjack Dealer says that we've got vibes. Yeah, we've got vibes, Blackjack Dealer. Thank you for the vibes. Send those vibes my way, Blackjack. I like it, Blackjack Dealer. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that very much. Great looking candle, James. It is a great looking candle. Juan, stop, bro. That's enough already. Yeah, stop, Juan. I'm telling Mom, dude. If you keep going, I'm telling Mom. Canada, we have tax-free savings accounts. Do you have that in the U.S.? Tax-free savings accounts? I don't think we got tax-free savings accounts, man. We got tax-free retirement accounts, but they want to tax everything here, man. They might tax the fact that I'm talking to you right now. Enjoy your channel, ClayBro. Philip, I appreciate the fact that you enjoy the channel, man. For real. We have a lot of fun here, don't we? I think we do. I think we do. Time after time. AMC, we needed the reversal. No panic selling. Yeah, please do not panic sell, guys. They may be deferred taxes with retirement rules. Ice cream. You talking about retirement accounts, or are you talking about tax-free savings accounts there? Clay, when we come, relax and have some drinks with the boys. When can we come? With lemonade, dude. We don't drink. You gotta get some lemonade if you're thinking about that. More than fun. Yeah, we do have a lot more than fun here. Come on now. You guys should know by now. We're making money and having fun. That's where it's at. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. I see a red candle, I'm pretty sure. I don't like red candles. Yep, little red one. I have a... yeah. This is the channel we're looking at here, folks. That's the channel we're looking at here. We need to break out of this channel. That's what we got going on right now. Upside breakout would be very nice. Nice. Well, it would be very nice to break out of that upside channel. Financial advisor from Fidelity informed with that info. Bet. LOL. No cap. LOL. Bet. No cap, man. No cap. You just got finessed by Fidelity. Clay, where would you travel if you could? Good question, man. Good question. Caribbean area, Europe, South America, Japan, UK, all the beautiful places in the world. Juan, your name needs to be green by the barbecue or no food or drinks. Yeah, Juan. Here's a new rule for Juan. Juan, if you want to continue with the shenanigans and you want to talk about how sexy my beard is and the fact that you want to know what my flooring looks like, you got to get a green name, dude. Got to get a green name. Especially if you want to eat at the barbecue, you're going to need a green name for sure. But, yeah, dude, I'm telling you. The travel question is approved. The what does your floor look like? No, that question is not approved. The green names reserve the right to ask me what my flooring is. It's just too personal, man. It's too personal. Next, you're gonna want to know what color it is and how hard it is. Come on. Oh, that's a good one. I gotta answer this one though. Juan, this is the last question you get that is like slightly not about AMC. Clay, what is your favorite type of women? To quote my good friend Luca, bad mamacitas. All right, good. Monaco, all of the Mediterranean is gorgeous. Jaga knows it. Up at the VWAP is Gucci, no cap. Brett, exactly. Exactly, man. Somebody needs to go over to Galactic Finance's stream right now and tell him I bet the VWAP is Gucci, no cap. Please. Please tell him. Luca's still here, yes! Those are my favorite type of women, man. Bad mamacitas. I like it, Luca. Back dimples. I don't... Why when Darling says things, it doesn't even matter what is in the chat. It doesn't even matter. Why do I like everything that is said from Darling? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Exactly, Cognitive. Exactly. Exactly. Hey, guess who in the house? Good to see you, my homie Clay, Mr. Simon. What is going on? I like mamacitas too. Nice. You got to get the bad mamacita. Clay, if you could visit your place, would you let me come stay for $500 a night? I got to get it up on Airbnb first, Juan. Got to get it up on Airbnb first, my man. The corner store, 700,000. His floor is 500,000. Yeah, you guys want to know. 500,000, 700,000. We're getting higher and higher and higher. Oral, the vibes are 100 in this chat. They are 100, man. My favorite women have always been and will always be Colombian. Hopefully David's not in here. Antics, if David's in here, he's going to tell you never visit Colombia, man. It's too dangerous. You're going to get robbed in Colombia. David doesn't like Colombia for some reason. But we know that Luca does. Patty! Got him! Got him. Thank you very much, Patty, for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. You guys know what I want to see right now. I want to see 142 welcome Patties in the chat. Actually, I don't know. Give me 284. Everybody say it twice. I want to see 284 welcome Patties in the chat right now. Yes. But you know why? Because we don't need a Krabby Patty. We need a Happy Patty. Everybody say welcome Patty in the chat. Get it. Welcome to the Thunderdome. I love it. You get that VWAP in Colombia. You can. VWAP is a very big technical indicator in Colombia. Junior M. Welcome Patty, welcome Patty, welcome Patty, welcome Patty, welcome Patty. If I offer MC was on the table, what price do you estimate it would be? If they offered to buy MC was on the table, what price do you? Ice cream. Like per share? If somebody, like if an institution legitimately came in to buy AMC, they would probably offer $6 a share. Maybe $3. Welcome Patty, 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 welcome Patty. 100,000. No, dude, there's no way an institution would offer 100,000. And I don't think anybody has enough money to buy out AMC at 100,000 a share. That's why we control the supply. Not the institutions, not the hedge funds, not these old people out there who are telling you you're crazy for risking your money. No. We control the supply. We control the supply. We control the price. And Matt Perry is convinced he's going for 100,000. Dude, if we go to 100,000, man, I really will. Listen, if we go to 100,000 for sure, I don't even care. I'll throw a backyard barbecue here, and then like if anybody gets weird, like if Juan actually does come and gets weird, I just buy a new house somewhere else that you guys won't even know about. So we go to 100,000. There's for sure gonna be a backyard barbecue, and we could all take hands, like take turns feeding the chipmunk, having a good time. I don't even care if it's got to go like 3 or 4 days before everybody gets fed. If we go to 100,000 for sure, like this could just be the hangout place, and I'll just go buy a house that you guys don't know about somewhere else. We control the supply. Remember, Frank said, don't get high on your own supply. And remember, we control the supply. We control the price. We will take it to a very high price. Just found out AMC has to be on the reg show list for 13 days. Okay, American Virtual. The FTDs still have to cover, though, man. They still have to cover. I mean, the day is next Wednesday, but FTDs are still covered, so don't be putting too much into next Wednesday. Mom will be busy looking at your floors. Well, Kenneth, probably, but if it's the case, I can just go get another house somewhere. But I will guarantee a barbecue at $100,000. Guaranteed happens here, even if I got to go out and buy my own Blackstone. Blackstone, watch the video, man. I will make a specific video grilling shrimp at the barbecue. For the green names, if you send me a grill, Clay, because of you, I transferred my shares from Robinhood to Webull. Best decision ever made. No cap, bro. You're not getting finessed by Robinhood. No cap there. You transferred. That's Gucci, man. You all Gucci now, right? Juan? We got Juan. That's true. Even though my elderly coworker who says the government is going to shut down AMC trading, we are going straight for boomers. We're very skeptical about this. Yeah, dude, they definitely are. Clay will eat all your food. Juan, you will not if you don't have a green name. When are you joining the bros? Exactly. We need to know. We gotta listen. You guys will all get the welcome wands if he comes in here. Thomas Cresodi, thank you very much for the super chat. Why is everyone so confident with Squeeze? Who is to say hedge funds can't keep us down the road forever? Cover slowly and hope people drop out. Thomas. Good question. Let's talk about it. Who is to say that hedge funds can't keep us down the road for? Nobody is to say that. I'll answer that question straight up. Nobody is to say that they can't keep kicking this down the road forever and just wait till everybody drops off. All right. Here's the deal, though. There will be FOMO buyers that drop off. There will be these other people who just wanted to see a quick get-rich-quick scheme. They will drop off, yes, but I'm not dropping off. I'm not investing so much that like I can't buy food tonight if I don't make money on AMC today. Like I'm in a position where I really could die with my shares if I wanted to. Like I don't care about that. Let the shares ride. You know, I want to see the short squeeze happen. I'm here for that, and I know the core members of this channel definitely are. I know the core members of the movement definitely are for that. So we may need to continue refining and filtering and sifting through all of the people out there and why they're holding AMC. But if they don't cover their shares, and when you say they can slowly cover them along the way, dude, you're saying at that point that they're willing to recognize a $4 billion plus loss on their portfolios, and I don't think that they're willing to do that. So knowing that, that is what tells me that it's unlikely that they're going to slowly cover their positions. Because I'll be honest with you, man, AMC is not worth $50 a share. AMC is a very good shorting candidate. Like, if you're strictly looking at fundamentals, I would want to short AMC too. Anybody would. You know that AMC is not worth $50. It's probably worth $5 at best. So you're looking at a 90% gain when it reverts to its average price, or when it reverts to its like value price. But these hedge funds are making, these institutions are making some very dangerous calls doing that because they don't understand that this is just more than a bunch of dumb kids getting together and buying a stock and driving the price higher. This is like, you can feel it, and I know you can feel it. I know you can feel the fact that people are in this. The true people are in this for the long haul. They don't care how long it takes. They will watch the hedge funds hand over all of that money when it comes time. But that's just me, man. They can definitely kick it down the road. But I'm not going anywhere, and I know the people who are here for the reason of a short squeeze are not going anywhere. Squirrels sell. Jaga! Squirrels never... These chipmunks got them diamond cheeks, man. Got them diamond cheeks, baby! Become green wand. Yeah, I become green wand. Let's do it. Either it squeezes or my deathbed, my family keeps adding blankets, and I gasp out, cover! Cover! Not realize I'm asking to cover if the shorts have been covered. That is correct, Brett. That is correct, because we will hold these shares. Take some advice from Mom. Mom said she's never selling her shares. She's just going to die with them. So that's, I don't know how many shares she's got, but that's the amount of shares that the hedge funds will never get back. Because, dude, if you know like a hoarder somewhere, call them up. Say, hey, here AMC's on sale. They'll be like, and they'll buy a bunch of it, and they'll never get rid of it. They'll just stash it somewhere, and then they'll never get rid of it. That's who we need buying right now. John says, Brother Man Ben, breakfast at 4:30 p.m. Brother Man Ben stays awake all afternoon. I'm glad you call it breakfast, though, and not, like, A time. Because tea time comes in the evening. You might have, like, Q, R time. Like, R time is breakfast time. S is lunchtime. Tea time is dinner time. Difficult. Every spam Juan to become a little bro. Yeah, we want to see Juan become a little bro. Become a little bro. My main target is 1,000 to secure 1 million and then let the rest ride. Oh, Luca. Hit it, man. Hit it. Dan probably knows more, especially since he's learning and I'm forgetting. Oh, there's another one up there. That before landing, you have the runway to approach environmental to be visible, but there is an ILS CATS where I believe that's not required. ILS CATS let you know. You guys are Be on me on that one. Chipro is a hoarder. Chipro has got them diamond cheeks, Natalie. Chipro is definitely hoarding, and he has not eaten any of those seeds that I just put up. My parents are old and retired. They know if AMC bankrupts the hedge funds, they will lose their pensions plan and 401k, but they are okay with it because we all have AMC shares, and it will be worth it. Antics the legend. Very nice. I don't think that it's going to bankrupt their 401k, man. I really don't. I wouldn't be worried about that. No, Juan. No. There will be none of that, but there will be a backyard barbecue, and I might even give Gray Names food if it goes to 100,000, for sure. Dunnies, you better watch ClayBro. Mom might be in the house. She could throw out all the stuff she had stored for you. No! ClayBro's mom better not be in. ClayBro's mom throws out all my stuff. Save the pogs. I need to give Brett some pogs. Is there a video clip of your interview with TMI? Oh, I don't know. Tones? I was on his live stream yesterday at like noon. Yesterday at like 1 maybe. For like 5 or 10 minutes. The end of his live stream. So if he had like a midday live stream up on his thing, you could go check that out. Juan, what's up with the, I don't know, Big Ben, he's interesting. Good morning, Cookie. How are you? Glad to have you in here, Cookie. Everybody was waiting for you, and now you are finally here. Cookie, no. Juan, calm down. You got to get a green name if you want to say weird things like that, man. Come on now. It's Cookie you're talking to. Man, this is a channel. Nobody likes this channel that AMC is trending in right now. It always seems to do this, though, doesn't it? It always seems to channel sideways until I go to lunch. And then I'll go to lunch. Or I'll go to lunch right here. And then it'll bust out to the upside. So we're going to go and break out to the upside right at noon. Hi, my name is Scott, and I'm a hoarder of AMC stock, baby! Scott, I love it, man. I love it. You talk so hip, you're twisting my mellow, man. Jiu-jitsu boy, I don't even know what that means. Juan being annoying is tolerated, but don't get creepy. That is correct. Don't get creepy now. We don't like creepy. We do like annoying, we do like funny, and we do like Brett, but we do not like creepy. Any word on post-squeeze party in Vegas for us apes? Lance, I do not know about it. But if AMC goes to 100K, there will be a backyard barbecue for sure, and then this will just be my burner house. We'll do like a monthly barbecue, and I'll have burner houses where we have a backyard barbecue, Fast and Furious style. I'll be grilling the shrimp, and then I'll just burn the house and move on to the next one so you guys never know where I live. Mr. Simon, thank you for the hot dog. Mr. Simon, I am getting hungry, so thank you very much for the super sticker. A big hot dog. Real big hot dog. Thank you very much, Mr. Simon, for that hot dog. I appreciate the super sticker. And if you guys are like, wow, this dude's really imitating eating a hot dog right now, what if somebody screenshots that and puts something in his hand? That'd be really weird. It would. But I have to imitate the super stickers that come on by. So, Mr. Simon, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, man. And hopefully I imitated that to your likings. Man, how Clove doing for all them folks that couldn't help shut up about it on Reddit? Do it live, man. I don't know. Reddit people scare me. I try not to hang out there. Well, I'm getting rained down by some clouds. Raining on Cookie, I bet. I feel like it's part of something. I feel like I'm a part of something. Yeah, Brett, you are a part. You're always a part of something, Brett. You're like the glue that holds us all together, man. We wouldn't be here without you. Twisting my melon comment was the song's lyrics. Darling. Thank you, darling. I appreciate the fact that you helped me out so much with this twisting my melons thing. I don't even know about that. Let's say Luan is finally learned something. Okay, well, if Cognitive puts him on the funny side, good. Well, Cognitive has to let us know. Cognitive, you are the checks and balances on Juan. So you have to let us know when it turns from funny to creepy, and then we're going to be good. Correction, by the way, I think we were mirroring June 9/11. Possibly. Oops, wrong channel. American Virtual. It is all right. You're on the good channel, man. This is the one you should be on. 1111. Mr. Simon, thank you very much for the mustache. Oh. Hello, Mr. Simon. Thank you very much for the mustache super sticker. I appreciate that. Just like I appreciate all of the other super stickers that you sent today. Thank you very much, Mr. Simon. Thank you very much, Mr. Simon. Did you know that I had a talking mustache, did you? No, you didn't know. Thank you. Yo, holler from LBC. I forget what that stands for already. SoCal. All you fellow apes, we will have the post party on the moon. I like it now, y'all. Mass Investor and Short to Vix, we were talking about getting you to join their live streams. Have they contacted you, Mr. Levitz? Yeah, I was on the Mass Investors live stream yesterday for about 10 minutes. And I talked to Vix on Twitter. Looks like the Lost Boys in Never Never Land with the pretend food. Dude, that's where I learned it from, man. You know all about that. It was actually real for me, though. Louisiana picked up a few more shares on that dip yesterday. If they dip it down again, we'll scoop up some more. Loving the pressure we're putting on the hedgies. We buy and hold. We do. Come on, green. We are breaking out to the upside before I even go to lunch. I love it, guys. I love it. Usually the good activity happens after I go to lunch, but today we might be getting a breakout to the upside. Very nice, AMC. Continue that trend upward, please. Started to become lunchtime in the blue-collared world. The fellas must be buying and pulling us out of the dip. Possibly Joseph. And the biggest size in this chat, if nobody knew. What? House? Juan? Portfolio? Cost average on AMC? Big green juicy candle coming in hot. I like it. I like it. I like it, Mutt. Channel is my fault. I bought more. Kai, thank you for buying more. I started to bust loose around lunchtime yesterday. Let's hope for a repeat. Exactly, Billy. I'm hoping for one. I'm thinking we need more needle in a haystack, Juan. I like it, Natalie. I like it. Juan, drink cranberry juice to fix that ailment. Do it. 50 today. Nufo. Yeah, I'm calling it. I'm leaving. You guys, do I still have it on here? Oh, this way. Well, let's go. 5-minute chart. Oh, yeah. Still got it. This is my prediction from yesterday. It's rolling today. $50.01 close. That's what we're going for today. We are going to make it. I know we are. I have faith. MD! Thank you for becoming that green name, man. Welcome to the little bro. I appreciate it, MD. You guys know what I want to see right now. I want to see 167 welcome MDs in the chat right now. Thank you for getting that green name and becoming a member. You are the man, MD. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And look, we got welcome MD, welcome MD, welcome MD, welcome MD, welcome MD, welcome MD. Time for lunch, or time for work chat later. Nufo, thank you very much. Welcome MD. Welcome to the ClayBro gang MD. Or, yeah, Clay gang MD. Wahoo! Yes, Cookie, thank you very much. I bet Chipro is bigger. I'll let you in on a little secret, man. Chipro is bigger. Grow the beard out, Clay, until we reach 100. Mutt. That'd be crazy. Should I do it? Darling. We'll ask Darling. If she says yes, it's a yes. If she says no, it's a no. Darling, should I grow the beard out until we reach 100? I want a green name. How? Billy Napier. I don't know if you got iPhone, man. You got to copy and paste the link in the description below to join the channel. If you don't have iPhone and you got Android, you got to click join next to the subscribe button. Then you can get a green name, and everybody can say, welcome Billy, welcome Billy, welcome Billy, welcome Billy, welcome Billy, welcome Billy. Because we still got the welcome MDs going on there. Patty says welcome. Blackjack says welcome. Brett says, oh, shake weights. Brett says, oh, Brett's on shake weights again. DD214, welcome MD. Mark, welcome MD. To the best, you joined the best dysfunctional family on, and it really is the best dysfunctional family, dude. I'm telling you that right now. We are having fun making money, especially on AMC. Heck yes. Big Ben throwing out that welcome MD. Thanks, guys. Been here for a while. I should have joined a long time ago. MD, I know you've been here for a while, man, but you got the MD, you got the green name now. So you get the green name welcome, man. You get the green name welcome. You know what it is. You've welcomed people before, and now they are welcoming you. Juan can't come to the barbecue. Chip bro might confuse him for sunflower seeds and bite him off. Be careful, Juan. Be careful. This is the best place to spend your day. Makes my workday so much better. Natalie, I appreciate that. I really do. And if you guys are at work right now, listening in, having fun, you guys have headphones in, right? I gotta ask that. It's like a serious question. You guys do have headphones in? Because if not, Natalie's boss, if you're listening, if anybody in the cubicle or whatever she works, turn the volume up if you're in your own office right now, so you guy in the office next to you can listen. Make sure to subscribe to ClayBro's YouTube channel. I just had to do that for everybody that was not listening, using headphones, and there are people around. So yes, AirPods. Do It Live's got AirPods in. Work from home, so it's great. Natalie. There's probably nobody in the office next to you then. How is this the best stream? It only has 153 viewers. Tones! I know, man. I know. But my mom once told me that size doesn't matter. Okay? It's not about the size of your stream. It's about the quality of your stream. So, just because it's not the biggest stream doesn't mean it's not the best stream. It is, Tones. It's the best stream ever. And we do have way more fun than everybody else. And we're making way more money than everybody else. So remember that. Remember that, Tone. Ah, I'm telling you guys, watch this stream. Well, Juan, I know you do. You've said that before, and I believe it. Jumped up right after saying that. I bet it did, man. I bet it did. You're not wrong, Neil Wolf. I know. MD shoulda, coulda, woulda is for those blessed that did yesterday. All in, bro. I like it. Cognitive Juan is on fire. This is the best stream because it's less than 200 people. It does make it a good stream, though. It's quality. It is. Clear as a grow, not a show, no cap. Gucci, man. We are Gucci in here, Big Ben, and you know it. Thoughts on some in this space suggesting you should start to offload 1,000 due to money shortages. Jonathan, you talking about offloading at $1,000 per share due to money shortages? I wouldn't worry about money shortages, man. There's no such thing. There's no such thing, dude. They'll print more. Don't worry about that. They'll definitely print more. Blame that course. John, we could blame him. We could blame whoever we want, but I'm telling you, Juan's mom told me size doesn't matter, but she said it enthusiastically. Dude, this is all the favorite. Put some cargo shorts on. Yes, put some cargo shorts on and get that green name. Just to leave. It happens, John Smith. It happens. Just a little jalapeno. Don't cap. Exactly, man. Can't afford clothes. He sold them to buy the tip yesterday. Hey, if that's the case, good deal. Good deal. God, you guys are crazy. It's all about the quality of the stream. It is, man. Mr. Simon, if you guys don't know by now, it's about the quality of the stream, dude. And we have a very high-quality stream here. I'm telling you. Money printer goes Bert? Yeah, it does. When the money needs printed, the money gets printed. Big Ben retracted it. Don't know why. Can you make the chart bigger, please? Yes, move to. You want a big chart? You want to check it out for a minute? You can check that out. Sup, ClayBro? I'm back. Can I get an ahoo? AMZ to Pluto. Diamonds everywhere. Glad to have you back, man. Thank you for coming in this morning. How many liters is that? Interesting. We need to know how many liters. Please, let us know. I can't Brett. I can Brett all day long. Strong AMC wide stream. It is, guys. If you want a strong AMC stream, this is the I can start to use some oh man, what the heck? Where's my English class going now? Some adjectives. I could start to use some adjectives in there that probably shouldn't be used when to describe this stream. But y'all know what it is. Come on! It's not about the size of the chart. It's about the chart in the size, Mutu. You know that by now. Remember, we finished at 90.25. Claude, if we finish at 90.25 today, I'm gonna be a very happy man. I'm gonna be a very happy man. For sure. Thanks a lot, man. Absolutely, Mutu. You can check that out for a minute. I have eye problems. It happens. It happens, dude. You've been staring at the screen too long. It's okay. We all have eye problems. But don't worry. I treat her with respect. None of that. None of this insult M-lady stuff. I must have missed something from Brett up top. I don't know. I guarantee I did. We need Matt Perry right now to roast Juan in his vigilante style. Oh, dude, if you say vigilante or Matt Perry, he comes back. He's listening right now on his headphones, and he comes back for sure. So, you say we need him, guess what we're going to get? We're going to get the vigilante in the chat right now. Average of 53 share at the moment, and fine with that. We know what's happening. 115 shares, very nice. DVO, I love it. Red form, the AC in my work truck went out this morning, and it's already 9 degrees. Maybe it's a sign AMC is going to be hot as well today. Red Foreman, it is a sign. Did your boy Andrew Mo Money go back live again, or are you still hanging out with us? While talking about size, probably sits, possibly Big Ben. Possibly, I don't know, but hey, man, sometimes it's better that way. Red Foreman, yes, quality over quantity, and that is what we are all about here. We need the chart to form a V signal to summon Vigilante. We do, and if we zoom in far enough, we might be able to get a V somewhere. We could just scroll back and find a V. But yes, AMC, give us a V, please. Still with you. Nice, Red Foreman. I love it. Thank you very much for being in here this entire time. I get money and mommies. Okay, very good. I like that you get money and mommies. Green candle. Big Ben, I want a green candle. Who would you want? Who would watch more money over ClayBro is the real question. Mutt. At least 3,000 people, man, because that dude's constantly got 2,500 to 3,000 people in his live stream. He does work. He does a lot of good work, man. He's got that dog meatball. I mean, I don't know. Maybe if I got a little bed for ClayBro, and I put a little bed for ClayBro right here. Oh, you guys can't see that. I put a little bit. No, yeah, maybe right there in front of the sign. I put a little bed for ClayBro right in front of the sign there. We might get 3,000 people to watch. Although I can guarantee you, ClayBro would not sit in a bed all day long. He would not do it. There's no way. Got another chunk. Green candle coming. Patty, good. I see now we're going up. Mutu, it's because of you. Hold on, we'll go back. Mutu says we're going up because of the chart big. Big chart. Good deal. Not me. I'm watching him for a little, for his dog Meatball, but it didn't do it for me. To each their own. Natalie, yes. He does have his dog Meatball. Good guy, though. Good guy. I know he gets dude catches a lot of flack from a lot of people on YouTube and social media and stuff, but I think he's a good guy. I like him. Andrew, if you're watching, if you're hanging out with us right now, man, shout out to you. It's just fun. It's really funny to me. And not to, like, rain on my own parade, but I'll rain on my own parade for a minute. Even Galactic Finance, dude. I was hanging out with Galactic Finance yesterday, and the dude was like, oh, seems to be a lot of love for ClayBro in the chat right now. A lot of people like ClayBro. What's going on here? He's like, who is ClayBro? I'm just like, rip, man. Rip. 14-year-old kid, no cap, doesn't even know who I am. I just got finessed by a 14-year-old. And I'm like, dang. I go into Andrew Mo Money, he'd be like, who's ClayBro? Go into Mass Investor, he's like, who's Clay? Nah, Mass Investor knows me. Come on now, I hung out with Mass Investor yesterday. Matt Kors would be like, who's ClayBro? Guys, I feel like you should at least know the other YouTubers that talk about AMC. You don't have to watch their videos. My goodness, know their name. Like if I know Mr. Ingram, great-great-great-grandpa Ingram, then come on. You should know who ClayBro is. It's ClayBro. It's a Gucci, baby. Oh, yeah. No cap, man. We're Gucci here. Want to become green, brother? Do it, Juan. You need a clay chip mug. I do. I needed just a ClayBro mug with a little chip out of it. That would be doing good. ClayBro's greater than Meatball. I like it. Neo Wolf. We should do logo with chip. Big Ben. Big Ben. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Told you I was coming right back. YouTube, don't send us everybody. Yeah, don't send us everybody, but you should at least know who they are. Type in AMC, you can see them all. Andrew was just awkward on Fox Business yesterday, in my opinion. I didn't see it. I'd probably be awkward on Fox News, too. They'd probably say something, and I'd be like, I'd want to say, oh, she said, or something like that, and I'd be like, Charles, come on. You set me up like that, and you don't expect me to say something about that? Come on, dude. Come on. Diamonds everywhere! Guys, diamonds everywhere sent to diamonds, so you know what time it is. It's time to get hard like a diamond. Oh, thank you very much, Diamonds Everywhere, for that super chat. I appreciate it, and you know what it's all about right now. All right, so I want to show these to my friend. I think it was Ben that was asking about it. Old Big Ben. Check these out. I'm going to the post office today. Oh my God, breathe Clay. John, I did, man. 50 coming. 50 coming, King Vortex. We're going to make it. All right, check these out, guys. What do you think? What do you think about this one? Hold on. There you go. I like it. I like it. Nice little sticker with a ClayBro. It's a ClayBro sticker. Yes. That's a good one. What else we got? Come on, light. You already know what it is? Yes. Nice little sticker with a ClayBro. Oh, yeah. Last one. You already know what it is? 1, 2, or 3. Which one do you guys like better? 1, 2, or 3? Yeah. Cool. Cool. And we put them back now. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, that one. Yes, that's cute. All right, that's my fave. The last, I don't even know which one. 1, 2, or 3. 2? 2 is the one with the acorn, right? That was 2. Third one is sick. Big Ben likes the third one. Like 2 and 3. All right. Good deal. You guys already know about all the giveaways we'll have coming up here. 2 is the best. Natalie likes number 2. I like number 2. I like all of them. For real. 3, I think is my favorite. Then 2, then 1. Neo Wolf. Very nice with the ratings there. 3, 2, 1. Everybody likes all of them. Good. Because if you like all of them, guess what? One day you're going to get one of them. Karen Garcia likes number 2. Miss Garcia, I have not seen your name in the chat very much before. You seem to like the Chip Bro sticker. Very good. Glad to have you in here, Miss Garcia. 1, then 2, then 3. Big Ben. I see what you did there. Trying to figure out which Chica I'm going to fly out to meet next. 1, it's a hard life, man, isn't it? When you got to figure out. Wrong. When site. Yeah, it might be wrong. Bro, amazing. That's it. Natalie, that's a good phrase there. I like it. Browsing that Real Doll website. Oh my goodness. You guys are the best. Alright, we got 10 minutes left before we break for. Why is AMC barcoding now on candlesticks? Dong Hyung Soo. Not barcoding. Dude, that's not barcoding at all. Come on now. What do you think? It's definitely not barcoding. I want my number 1 for my Lambo bumper. It's idling at the dealer waiting for pickup. Nice, Patty. Well, then guess what? I'll get you a little bit of a bigger one because that's really small for a Lambo bumper. Although I don't really know how big Lambo bumpers are. You might need a small one. Your little bride probably works. Red Foreman, it would. About to cash my paycheck and buy some more. Fire Hand Diamond Rocket. Dustin's cashing that paycheck and buying some more AMC. Has to cool off for a minute. Yes, it does have to cool off for a minute. It is all right, King Vortex. We're going to rip on higher into the close. Let's see. If we kept this trend all the way into the close, where do we close at today? Ooh, we close real high today if we keep this trend into the close. This is just what I'm calling. I'm calling this right here. Right here. I'm calling a $50 plus close. We actually barcoding. Dong Hyung Soo. What? I see no such thing. I see no such barcoding. Even on 1-minute charts, man. That's not barcoding, dude. That's not barcoding. 50, baby. Let's go, Big Ben. Let's get it. Peach. I don't see any peaches anywhere. Come on. I don't see any peaches. I like how Clay pronounced Dong Hyung Soo. Matt, that's how you say it, isn't it? Question. If a offer to buy a publicly owned company is entertained, does the accurate share count have to be presented? And if there are naked shorts and FTDs, who is responsible for them? See what I'm getting at? Ice cream. Yeah, I see what you're getting at. And yes, the accurate share count would have to be reported. But here's the deal. The accurate share count already is reported. It's the shares outstanding. It's the 501,780,240 shares that are out there. The authorized shares are like 524 million shares. So, yes, that's the only thing that AMC would know about. As for shorts covering, they would have to cover if somebody bought those and took the company private. But if nobody's going to expose naked shorts, like if there are, they know about the naked shorts that actually do exist, okay? And if they were that concerned about the naked shorts, they would let us know. There would be a huge investigation because they already know how many there are out there. So I wouldn't put your sole reliance on naked shorts doing anything to the squeeze or exposure doing anything to the squeeze. But yeah, that would be the case if they got an offer to take AMC private. Barcodes look different in China. Barcodes might look different in China, Mr. Levitz. You might be onto something there. I never did like Vienna sausages. I've eaten them before. And I never really liked him that much either, but if you're hungry, you'll eat anything. And Natalie's a savage, man. I knew where she was going with it, but you guys have to keep in mind. I try to at least keep it semi good here. Are shorts covering? Ricardo. No, shorts haven't covered yet, man. I'm not worried about it. Love Cookie, respect. I love Cookie too. Respect there all day long. All right, what do we got? What are the short interests changed the last couple of days? Apes in space. Well, if you're looking at Ortex data, man, I think short interest has risen a little bit over the last couple of days. But you got to keep in mind, man, that's a short interest that's estimated based on shares being borrowed and returned. So that's up to you if you want to rely on that. I saw stock that I could literally scan with a barcode scanner. I forget the stock for good reason. Neo Wolf. Yeah, man. The other day, too, there's a lot of stocks that do just strictly barcode day in and day out. But I think it was like last week or 2 weeks ago, Sundial had a very good barcode pattern all day long. Like if you wanted a barcode pattern that you could go look at, I don't know if it was 1 minute or 5 minute bars, but that was like barcoding 101. As I think we're misunderstanding, Juan is simply asking if girls, if they want the large fries. Yeah, and they always do. You always got to get the large fry, man. What's the longest it's going to take for shorts to cover? I mean, we're not going to be here in 5 years saying when are the shorts going to cover, are we? Ward Saxton, I don't think we're going to be here in 5 years asking if the shorts are going to cover, man. They do not have to cover at any specific time. So unless the price goes up, unless the volume comes down, unless external regulations tighten, we might just sit here and play the same game for the next 5 years. But I don't think that we're going to see everything stay the same for 5 years. Saw that one. Feeling ballsy, going to sell my 200 Neo shares and buy more AMC. Why not? Mutt, I like it. C1 wants to know if you like his appetizer trio. Yeah. Diamonds everywhere. Think of the hot dog diamonds everywhere. You guys know what time it is. It is lunchtime, so we got to get that. Diamonds everywhere. Think of the hot dog. I would have appreciated a little bit more than just mustard on that hot dog, though. I need some more toppings on it. Less than a year, I hope. Me too, Luca. And then it's bad mamacita time. Blackjack Dealer, thank you for the super chat. Blackjack Dealer says, this is to pay to make Juan a lil bro. LOL, it's a new level. We got Lil Bro in the house. Okay. Blackjack Dealer says, Juan, this is for you to become a Lil Bro. We got to get you a green name, man. We need a Lil Bro. Come on, Lil Bro. Diamonds everywhere. It happens, man. It happens. You send me food, I eat it. Clay, do you see the latest rule? Passing will have an impact on a minor roadblock. Bart, what latest rule are you talking about? Yum, lunchtime. I couldn't wait and did microwave burrito already. Cassie, very nice. 3 minutes till lunchtime, guys. Keep that in mind. You answer my question, Matt K. Does it? Ward Saxton. Correct. I try to answer everybody's question, man. It's a Q&A live stream, so whatever your question is, I should probably try to answer it. I love to bring more awareness to mental health, dealing with PTSD myself. DVO, very nice. Very nice, man. You mean just in this live stream or like post squeeze? With the money you're gonna make. I'm making a homemade cheese quesadilla today, for real, for real. Me too, Natalie. Oh yes, perfect. We should all just go make cheese. Well, I'm making a. Oh, what do I have? Actually, I don't know if I have any. I might make eggs today. Actually, now I don't know if I'm making a quesadilla today or not. Open that picture and you will see what I mean. Dong Hyung So. Are you talking about what picture? The graph? Or did you send me a picture somewhere? When all the abductions, good luck on the PTSD, brother. It happens, man. All of those so often. I make those so often. I love quesadillas, and they're cheap and easy to make. Neil Wolf, yes, every day, man, every day. Then what is it? Dong Hyung Sul. Are you talking about the chart, man? Are you talking about that? What's your sport of choice? Tennis, Big Ben. Tennis is my sport of choice. They're mad because I hit it and passed to the team. What are you talking about? Baseball? Rocking and M. James were here earlier. Lisa hasn't been on this morning, but I bet is here this afternoon. Haven't seen Janet in a while. And I have also not seen Jamal in a while either. Someone needs to find that guy. I'm going to do chicken with red peppers and cheese and spicy quesadilla. I like it, Neil Wolf. Sounds delicious. Marky, off to AMC to see Black Widow with my son. Not really being concerned about daily price action. Just waiting for the squeeze and mother of all short squeezes. I'm adopting your chipmunks. Make sure they're all well fed. Yes, Marky, I will definitely make sure. I got some seeds over by the door right now, but nothing's coming in to eat them, so they must not be hungry at the moment. Enjoy the showing with your son, man. Enjoy Black Widow. Please do. No, my Imgur. Dong, man, I'm sorry. I don't know. If you're trying to send me a picture in the chat, it's not working, so I can't see it. I can't see that, man. I'm very sorry. I think we've noticed mental health over the years. We need the pressure of the government to provide more resources. MD is on that as well. MD and, oh crap, I forget the name from before. They're going to promote mental health. Natalie mad because I won't take her back. I doubt it. Natalie doesn't get mad. She's an amazing girl. One, you shouldn't hit it. It's just a little guy. Oh, man. Do the chickens have large talons? These chickens have large tendies? Do chickens have large tendies? Yes, they do. Juan, what up, buddy? How's your morning? Cookie. Cookie's awesome. My goodness. No, I do not know, Juan. I do not know the answer to that question there. Uh-oh, Cookie, a real live girl talked to him. He's probably ever... That's actually how I feel every time Cookie sends something to me, too. I'm like... Guys, guess what time it is? I was thinking about mail time, but no, it's lunchtime. Why not? Good morning to you. We're going to break for lunchtime now, guys. I got to go to the post office. I got to get some stuff mailed out here. And, yes, we will be back at 3 o'clock. You guys already know what it is. Make sure to come back at 3 o'clock. We're gonna blow through 500 people this afternoon. I can tell. We're going to have 500 people in the stream this afternoon. Make sure, and do it in a polite way, okay, to jump on everybody else's stream during lunch and say, check out ClayBro's live stream at 3 o'clock Eastern time. And we will be back for that. So, you guys know what time it is right now. If you want a shout out, get your name in the chat right now. Weeble, in the description below, make sure to use that link, deposit $5. All you got to do is, all July, it's just a $5 deposit. Open up Weeble, you're going to get at least 2 free stocks, $3 and $8, $11 total. Good to go. That's the minimum, and you only deposited $5. So good deal on that one. And, yes, let's get these shout-outs going so we can break for lunch and come back in the afternoon. Natalie, thank you so much for being here. Brett, thank you for being here. Blackjack Dealer, Cognitive, Cookie, and Luca, thank you guys for being here. Get some more names out in the chat. You guys know what to do by now. Get these names out here so I can say goodbye to you guys and have a good lunch. And AMC will bounce back during lunchtime, and it's going to be a good afternoon into the close. I like it. So Luca is the last chat that I see right now. Neil Wolf and Cognitive once again. MD says, see you later. Anthony says, still here. Anthony, glad you are still here. We will be breaking for lunch now. Guys, go grab some eggs. Go grab some quesadillas. Whatever you're going to eat for lunch. Clay, have an awesome rest of your day. Cookie, please come back at 3 o'clock. The day is only awesome if you are here. And, Lauren, if you're still listening, if you've got your client, whatever your name is, you're in the best hands in the UK. Your lashes are going to look amazing. You're going to look like darling herself once your lashes are done. So, yes, if you're listening right now, shout out to Lauren in the UK. Same with Cookie. Good. Want Joe, I'll be back. Good deal, man. All right, guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.